Good morning, YouTube. Oh, hold up. Let me shut my door real fast. Y'all can see inside there. That's where I hide all my bodies. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the Trader Shop with me, with me, Jay Seals, and the avatar, the master of all four charts, T. Hobbs, is in the building.
Yo. What up, bro? What up?
Man,
What up? Currently dog walking this
this
trade.
market-
That Malik is currently dog walking this trade. I didn't take this trade.
I think you got it short.
No. I was trying to long it down here, but these bulls are not trying to do nothing.
No, they're not. Today's gonna be a very interesting day. And today is what today, Hobbs? What is today?
Today is triple, quadruple, quadruple witching day, aka OPEX day, baby. It is time for the market to be aggressively volatile.
Wait,
Malik, can you mute your mic, please, sir?
We're gonna call.
It
We
is
should call
time
today
for the market to be
Bruja Day.
extremely volatile. So, what's up?
Yeah, I said we should call today Bruja Day. Bruja Day. You know.
Yeah, oh yeah, like
Bruja. Yeah. It's witchy fan. Yeah.
That one I got.
But hopefully y'all had
that one was good. That one was good.
Man, y'all gonna stop playing with me.
I've ever heard you do. That one was actually pretty good.
Most of what I say is pretty good. I'm on my bullish. Bruja. Maybe what I said yesterday was a little questionable. But
wait, did you really have to repeat them all? Like we really didn't need to know them all.
No, I had to remind everybody of my genius. Hey, look,
my bullish. Okay, thanks.
On my bullish, right. Now we have two shirt ideas. Let's go, day, and then
all right. First of all, let me jump into my pre-market plan because my plan is about to play out. I'm coming for these longs, Malik. So all right. Good morning, everybody. First of all, you already know what time it is. Tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live or put out a video. Also, please, to support the channel, to support us. We're not getting paid for doing much of this at all, right? Two things you can do to support us. Well, three, really. The first thing, if you want to join the Discord, the link is in the description down below. It's $15 per week or it's $40 per month. You can either join to be educated, to have a community, or to just support the shop. Number two, you can go watch Justin's videos, right? And at the bottom of his video, he has his affiliate link, right? Where we get paid maybe like $5 per person that uses our affiliate links, right? For Apex and or Take Profit. You can use those affiliate links, right? And those will help put money in our pocket. We ain't begging, we just saying, right? And then lastly, if you look at the banner down below, right? If you look at the banner down below, there is a Top Step in Apex. What is an Apex discount code that, that will help me out. So we have different codes, but they both go toward either one of us, right? Justin has a video that's going crazy on Apex, Top Step, Take Profit, all of that. Go watch those videos and hold on. I think it's time to get home. But anyway,
he said it. Hold on, it's time for me to make.
It might be time to get long. I'm a pass on the long just because I'm teaching, but this is a great opportunity to get long, and it fits my freaking pre-market plan. But
hey man, take trade real fast. Get in there. I can
relax. I'm good. Look, every time I've seen this happen, I pretty much know that these bears are 100% here. So I'm just gonna be a little patient. I'm going to allow this to actually break structure and then come back. So anyway, bullish,
ain't nothing wrong with that.
Macro, right? Overnight, the market again is attempting to rally, but fail to break above any structural highs, right? So I anticipate the market trading lower. If we break out a balance, 18,000 will be in play, and maybe L is what I put on there, 17,900. And the reason why is because on average, we usually sell off by about 3.28%. 4.12% during the weeks of CPI and PPI. If you watch my top-down analysis, I actually broke down these levels. I just forgot to transfer them over to this particular chart. So I'm anticipating the market selling down, but I do think that we need to come back up before we sell down. But the market has a mind of its own. It'll do whatever it wants to do. So I have a couple plans in play, right? And then I'm going to talk about one kind of on the fly that I'm seeing play out right now. So first plan, bearish. If we can break above structure and get all the way back up here, honestly, do you really want to short this? And you can. But look to short week rallies in the 4-hour supply at 18,375 through 18,428, and look to target daily fib at 18,295, right? That's the first plan that I'm seeing, right? Second plan, bullish. Look for buyers to defend 90-minute demand at 18,244 through 18,209. That's this area right here. It's very important because this red line right here on the 3-hour, right? This is basically 50% of this low right here, right? This is the low that brought this all-time high, right? Or not all-time high. This is the low that broke above these previous highs right here, right? So we're back into 50% of that area, but the market is making lower highs, and more lower highs, right? And more lower lows on a higher time frame. That's why I'm anticipating the market selling down further, but I wouldn't be surprised if we get a rally before we go back down, right? So that being said, secondarily, right, off the cuff, if we break through 200 or 206, this previous day low right here, if it does not hold, it will start to take out structure, right? These will be structural lows that will be taken out. When I say structural, I mean institutions have money down here, right? So if we start taking out these lows, if we break, I want to 100% play a break and retest, right, of this area. Get out of all of this structure, right? And then look for price to come back up and then short it back down. That's what I'm looking to do today. I hope that helps you out. Justin, take us over to ES, man, because clearly I'm marked safe from those loans.
Yeah, so ES is pretty much the same story. Like I guess I would say NQ has well, no, actually it's kind of not the same story now that I'm kind of looking at this, because ES still hasn't really broken through those structural lows just yet, and we're not really close. We still have, because ES defended this low on Thursday, and then we haven't come back yet to test this low where we put it in the double bottom like we are for NQ right now. So what I'm kind of expecting to happen is for us to come down and retest this 30-minute demand zone. If this 30-minute demand zone holds, then that'll be extremely bullish for ES, and hopefully at the same time NQ will be holding its 3-hour demand zone that I have on there. But if it can't hold this, then we're coming to retest this 3-hour at 51.6425. The market's kind of in a tough spot for me. I would like to see the market come back up and retest this 45-minute demand zone at some point and then reject. But this is where this is like the halfway point in between the range right now. So I'm looking at this range as range rules applying, trying to long it down here and trying to short it up here. That's pretty much my only plan on the day. If we continue to sell, then we can look for ways to be bearish. It's just very hard to be bearish in demand when demand causes, pretty strong rallies once we get, into a point where buyers are trying to buy. The other thing that we could look to potentially do here on the fly is if we can break below 51.9925, just like Hobbs was saying, doing a break and retest of this area, knowing that prices already came down as low as 88 and speculating that we're going to go lower. I'd probably be open to doing that as well if I saw signs of aggressive selling breaking through this structure here. But that's probably the only way I'm getting short inside of demand. And that to me is higher risk. However, the overall structure of ES is down currently at the moment. So I think I'd be a little bit more comfortable taking the risk of shorting the market in demand if the conditions align for me. So that's pretty much my plan. I don't know. ES is not in a great place for me personally. That's why I'm only looking to trade NQ right now. But yeah, that's what I got. Oh, he muted himself.
Nah, my wife is
You're good.
No, you're good. My wife is home and she's getting ready to take the kids to like the zoo or something like that. So I'm getting more more questions than usual. Did you do this? Did you do that? I'm like, yeah. What's up? I'm kind of live right now. What do you want? All right. Yeah, again,
they pick the worst times.
I'm expecting a push out of this area. I see all of the selling, but that selling is old selling, right? I'm looking for this market to push out of this area, right, and be bullish on the way out of here. That's what I'm looking for. I just want to see us break above some type of structure, then I'm looking to get long. If the market wants to continue to sell, I'll just let it sell off. There's no way I'm going to join in this selling. I would more so allow the market to continue doing whatever the F is going to do to start the day. But this selling could get really aggressive because it is OPEX day. And for you guys that don't understand what OPEX day is, it's basically options expiring, right? Option expiry day, right? It's triple witching day. And you have any idea what that can look like? Just look no further than the crypto market last night, right? I have nobody heard you. Your mic cut off.
Yeah. What the hell did you say?
I have no idea what you're saying. I'm just gonna move on. I'm just gonna move on. Well, nice, brother. Let's go. Baby. Good job. Man.
You could have just on the money. That.
Yeah. 90 points in the funded or and funded. Let's go, baby. That's 2 in a row, 2 days in a row. Let's go, man. One of the Discord members just notified us that he's been funded 2 days in a row. So congratulations, Malik. Welcome back, brother. Coming in with a vengeance, baby. Two accounts funded in 2 days. Love it. Back to back. Love to hear it. Let's get it. And I was talking him out of this trade massively. Oh, is that what you're saying? I shouldn't give you anxiety. If you believe in your trade, you did the right thing, and I'm glad I gave you anxiety. Yep.
I just find whatever you were saying to be hilarious.
Look, I 100% would have sold at 70. I didn't need 90, but that's just me, right? Like, but you know what I mean? Like that, you had your target in mind and you held your conviction, right? If I was up 70 points, there's no way I was going to give back 30. It wouldn't happen. It just wouldn't happen. But again, that's me. You believed in your target, so you held for your target, and that's fine. Same thing happened to me yesterday, right? I believed in my target, but you saw what happened when I got to 70 points. I said, I don't need no more. Like, I'm good. Like, I don't need to hold to 90 or 100 points. It proves nothing for me, right? But if you wanted to hold to 90 points, hey, I'm not going to knock you for it, but I'm going to tell you when I see red flags in the market potentially looking like it wants to reverse in an area that I'm interested in, right? I wasn't really telling you. I was speaking about me potentially looking to get long, right? So, and I did get long, and then the market came back aggressively. Didn't take a loss, but at the same time, like, these bears ain't playing, bro. Like, they are not playing.
I'm looking along the market down here potentially.
I want to too, but it's not like this.
It's not looking like it.
It's not like this. Hey, welcome back to my man K-Rain, man. So let's jump through the rest of the market, right? Oh my gosh, yeah. If you was looking at, I didn't even take a look at these stocks, but these stocks are absolutely selling the F off. Everything but Nvidia. Nvidia's sitting right inside of demand, but Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, again, it's selling off, but it's sitting right inside my 2-hour demand. So let's see what it does right there. Meta's basically flat on the day. ES is pushing back into the daily fib. So let's see how that works out. I don't think that's the daily fib. I think I just forgot to chart ES or something. I don't know. I'm not sure if that's the daily fib. It might be, but NQ is well below its daily fib by about 80 points. So could we come back up? I think it's a very high chance we come back up, but on an OPEX day where the crypto market just sold off like 10-20%, I don't know. They could be looking to take hella profits and getting ready to break through structure, because last night, that's what I was going to say. Last night, I have a KuCoin account, and the amount of alerts that I was getting on my KuCoin account was absolutely insane. Every single crypto last night was down by 10%, right? I would get back to back. This crypto's down 10%. This one's down 10%. I said, what is going on? And I went to Twitter and it was like, don't worry, guys, hold. I was was like, that's
okay. Never a good sign.
All that bullish talk went out the window. Funny. Everybody was like, "Don't worry, this is normal. Hold." I was like, "Yeah, it is normal."
Yeah,
but
that's never.
You can also take profits, right? Like you can take profits before this.
No, you can't. No, you can't. No, you can't. No, you can't. You got to hold through. You have either you have diamond hands or you don't.
Thanks for asking, Cordy. My back is doing amazing. Still a little bit of soreness, but at the same time, I'm actually able to sit. I'm just looking like a bag of ass this morning, so I didn't turn my camera on. But I'll be back on camera on Monday for sure. I'm gonna go get a haircut and all that stuff, clean up and all that good stuff. So I'm good to be on camera. I just don't want to be on camera right now. So I look pretty jagged. Woo. Jagged edge. There's a lot of selling going on down here. And this market is trying to move lower, but I don't know. I got my eye on this area. I'm gonna just say that. I would just say that this area is intrigued me a lot. I mean, we sold off a lot. So, I mean, we're down from the pre-market 110 points. So that's just pre-market. And we're just continuing to sell. So maybe, again, like I told you guys, that 3.2% is definitely in play today.
Jesus.
Pippi, did you hold through this?
slowly less interested in the buying down here.
Hold so we can get out. Yeah, K-Rain, exactly. Hold. Clowns. Yeah. There's nothing wrong with holding because the people that have been holding, again, one more sweep, and again, the market not moving down lower, and there's resting liquidity on the tape. If you guys can see the tape in the Discord, from 200 to 205 to 212, they're trying to support this area, but the selling is so egregious that the market has to do everything that I needed to do before I take this long, right? Like it needs to break through the low or break back above the high that brought it down here. There's no way I'm touching this until that happens.
Hey, it's be fire today.
Yeah, baby. Let's get it.
Oh my God, Bears.
That's what I mean,
Bears.
bro. Like,
stop playing with
Bears
them.
Are not playing, bro. I'm like, man, if they get through this low right here at 206,
This might be good though. There's a CVD divergence on the tape right here. Let's see if we. I don't really want to long this though. I want to allow this to push out a little bit first and like retest or something. Show me that bulls are in the building.
Yeah, because every time they've been moving this liquidity up, it's just been to go up just a little bit, and then the market be like, "Thank you, boosh," and the stocks are still dumping. No, thank you, and they're all in agreement today. So I think this is an area where we could bounce. This is the 5-minute demand zone down here. There's consolidation from the overnight area down here. Like this, there's a whole bunch of reasons to be bullish down here. I just need to see it.
Yeah, I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this buying on the tape, and this buying looks weak
as fuck. Yeah, weak. Again, it got me when we came out the first time. I was like, oh, okay, this looks good. We got up to the highs, and it was like flush. I said, okay, y'all got it. Y'all in control. I bet. My bad. You know, I'll take my little 5 points.
Yeah,
I'm cool. I ain't really need that 5 points anyway. You know what I mean? I didn't know that volatility is real today. Yeah, volatility is real. It's OPEX day, man. I have it marked on my calendar. Day. Yeah, it's brouhaha day. What Justin said. All right, we just need to close. Say it with I just want to see us. I'm sorry. It's brouhaha day. Is that better?
Thank
that was too much.
Give it some enthusiasm. No,
I feel like
it was not. It was the right amount. It was the right amount.
All right, cool. Let's go. I'm one of the cool.
The right amount.
I'm back in the cool kid gang again. Let's get it.
I mean, as long as you're not saying that a man is thick, then you're good.
Yeah, yeah. Like as long as you don't say he's thick, I guess he's straight. Facts.
Okay, I stand corrected.
I ain't thickums. We'll see, Thickums. Again, holding this area above 210. As long as we stay above 210 to 200, I think. What is the low here? Yeah, 159 is. I mean, that's the last resort right there. But if we can stay above what was that low of the overnight? 204. Then maybe we got a chance for longs. But it might be over for these longs, bro. These these bears.
I'm glad I didn't step in the way of these.
Oh no, I'm not, bro. I was telling Bud we were paper trading in the pre-market when I was coming in here to write my plan. I was getting thrashed trying to go long. I said, see, this is why we paper trade, because sometimes it gives me a little feel for how aggressive the market's going to be today. I said, and clearly these bears are in control today. So
yeah,
hey, it let me know, like, early entries, nope, not on the longs. Nope.
Yeah,
if you get 20, 30 points, you better secure at least 10 or 15. Today is the day that I think we still could rally, but these bulls got to get busy. They haven't done anything in the pre-market. I mean, nothing. They've been laying their sword down. And the VIX is at 50, so that's going to be a key indicator for me today as well. Like, we're at 55 now, so more selling coming in.
Yeah, this is toasty.
Mm-hmm. The only thing that's moving up is Meta. Other than everything else is coming down.
US 30 on fire.
Yeah.
Oh my god, my computer is so trash. This my everything is so slow right now.
Yeah, you choppy.
Right. I can't pull the comments today. My computer's running too slow.
I got the comments. Don't worry.
Yeah, when I pulled up that comment, it messed my computer up. So
yeah, but we was getting killed. I was getting killed on the lows and the paper trades. I said, see, bud, this is why we paper trade. It's like, now I know. F around, find out. That's the definition. All right, and here come these sellers again dropping through 200. That's not a good look. Not a good look. Again, if we just start off selling the day, then hey, I'm just gonna chill until we get some type of relief, and then I'll just look to play it back up or play it back down, right? So, I told myself yesterday I was going to be very, oh my gosh. I told myself yesterday I was going to be very patient with today's price action. This is the last area. This is the last chance for the bulls here before we start to break some structural lows, some institutional lows here. So 192 through roughly about 161 is the last area before we start coming into institutional lows. Yeah, I agree. I'm definitely not bearish down here. If the market sells off from here, it would. No. I'm definitely not fading the longs. I'm more bullish down here than I am bearish. Mm-hmm. Yep. This is the low from yesterday. This is yesterday's low that's potentially holding here. So we'll see. Like I said, I ain't fading nothing. I'm very locked into what this market is doing here. I just need to see some type of significant buying coming in through this market. Something other than these weak ass little 25, 38, 26 buys and then 112, 200 sells. I'm like, oh, okay. Yeah, now I'm past. I ain't fading the longs down here. Trust me, I'm very, very locked into where this market could go. So the high that I'm looking for to break now is 220. Oh my gosh. All right, there's a sweep down there. Let's see if it holds. Is that open? Nah, 5 minutes.
It's not. It's not open. This
it looked like open. This volatility. It looks like freaking prime time open. They can't wait to sell this shit off. They're like, when can we start selling? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, this volatility.
220, Malik.
This volatility ain't playing. Did the market open?
No, we're still 5 minutes away from open.
I know.
This is crazy. That was a sweep right there for the ages. All right, now we're pushing out of here. Let's see if this thing holds. Let's see if it holds. Get back above something significant. That's a nice bullish engulfing right there.
It was such a random sweep, man.
It wasn't random. It was a sweep of the low.
Well, I mean,
yesterday's low.
I meant that was like random volatility, I guess, more so.
Oh, I was about to say that was an expected sweep. I just want to see if we can. Yeah, that's the sweep that takes your breath away. We practiced that sweep. That shit was not random. Let's see if I want to see if it holds this area. I want to see us get above 203 and then come back and hold this area for me to be interessante. I like everything about that sweep. Now I just want to see it push out of here.
I actually want to. I would much rather see us dip back down one more time with some aggressive selling.
I think that was the dip. God, look at these sellers. Jeez. 3,000 on the CVD before open? Damn.
Okay.
I just opened my book. Yo, 3K on the CVD is crazy. That's crazy. Before open. This is definitely OPEX day, baby. Welcome to OPEX.
Welcome to OPEX. Yeah, this is what I want to see. I just want to see this get ate up. If this don't get ate up, then I'll continue to play with El Trendo. Oh my god. The market didn't even open. Oh my god. Bro, they are taking lows. They are taking souls right now is what they're doing. They're taking souls this morning. Holy. Oh my god. Wait, what is this? Bro, this is more volatile than what it looks like at open, really. Oh my god.
Okay, my bad. It was leaving.
What is going on?
Oh my
the market's dumping. The market got volatile again all of a sudden. Like as soon as we broke the low. Oh my god.
Yeah, bro. They was trying to walk this thing down. They are walking this thing down, bro. This is brutal.
We got a lot of orders down here though.
There's been a lot of orders, bro. They've been taking souls. They ain't even cared about orders at all. But it's weird to me that the VIX hasn't participated in this at all. The VIX is still at 55. It's just been sitting there. So I want to see what the VIX looks like at open. It's still the market's still not open, and the CVD is at 4,000.
Oh my
negative
god!
4K.
The selling is
is different.
All right,
this is why OPEX day, bro. I just be like,
bro,
chilling, bro.
Bruh.
Let this thing cook. Let Russ cook. Let Russ cook.
The only thing Russ cooking is turnovers.
Look,
turnovers.
Whatever Malik tell me to get short, I'm getting short. Because that Malik can read some short price action. If he can't read nothing else, he can read short price action. He'd be like, yeah, I'm short. And I'm targeting this. Oh my. Bro, we're coming down, bro. We're down 200 points and the market hasn't even opened yet. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm watching. Well, I'm watching to see if we got to take out 18,078.
I'm gonna fade the long. I want us to come back up into to the 5-minute demand or supply zone we just created at like 210. I'm fading the longs. I'm gonna fade it.
All right, there's a bullish flip on the 15-second. I just want to see if we come back down and retest it. I'm not fading the longs just because we've sold off so much. Like, I mean, I think we need a relief bounce. So I'm still looking to get long. I'm definitely not looking to short. I'll look to short when we come back up to the 5-minute supply, but I'm looking to long it into the 5-minute supply. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that could definitely work too. Okay, tape.
Let's see if we hold this low.
There you
go. We 50% of what? We haven't put in a high yet. Oh, from here. Let me zoom out here. Yeah, I didn't mark it, bro. Look at the time in sales, bro.
There's a lot. There was a ton of buying and selling as we dip down right there. We got a dirty CBD divergence, but I just don't.
I got it at 226. My tape can't even keep up with this price action. It just keeps skipping. My tape can't even keep up because there's so much volatility. Yeah, this is definitely an aggressive sell-off here. Yeah. All right. Market is open. 2 minutes into the open. Again, I still like longs in this area. For me, I just think the market needs to flip. Whenever we break above a high and we put in a low, we put in a higher low, then I'll be looking to get long. But as long as we continue to sell off and not breaking above any highs, then to me, there's no reason to try to get long. This is going to be short-lived. They're just snatching souls right now. Literally taking all the liquidity. But at some point, it's got to get a breather. You think?
you would hope.
Well, you think. The buying just looks so weak when it comes out. Like it's literally like little tiny bubbles. Like nobody's interested in buying at these levels. They're like, nah, we're good. We'll sell today. Thanks. Just needed to come up just a little bit so that we can trap retail into believing we're going back up. And then, yeah, we're going to dump it on them. So don't worry about it. Make the bubbles bigger. Make the bubbles bigger. Look at this thing. Cook season, bro.
It's just egregious.
Cook season, bro. And again, the VIX at 1445 still holding above. It's weird. It's very, very weird that the VIX isn't like reached an egregious level yet.
Oh my God.
What?
ES is selling off.
Yeah, to me, until this thing puts in a high, like it's just, there's no way I'm shorting this. No way I'm shorting this, but I'm definitely looking to long it back up if we can put in some type of structure here and get above a high. Well,
one thing that I do like is that we're holding.
We're finally consolidating
135. Yeah, we're holding 135. So that's very, very bullish. Every time we come down to 135, we find buyers to bring us up out. So
yeah, I like that. Get above
had a pretty nice CBD divergence there as well.
Jeez, it cannot move, bro. Look at that squeeze right there. It's like, yeah, you thought we was going higher? No. Look. Yo, this market on demon time right now, bro. Literally demon time. Mm-hmm. Just more.
Yeah, we're definitely consolidating down here.
More thievery.
Now the question is, are we building price acceptance, or are we building a rejection here?
No clue. I just know that if this low holds one more time, that was aggressive. If this low holds one more time, I think I'm going to try to take this long at the low at 133. We just keep tapping into 133 and buyers or sellers are refused. Oh, that's a bad. Never mind. Not as long as we keep putting in lower highs when we come back up, though. Like, that is not good. I'm just not seeing the buying coming out of this area. Like, I feel like this is a really good area to long the market. I'm just not seeing the buying.
I'm trying to long here. I'm trying to long right there. So I'm putting my stop a little bit. I'm putting my stop well below the low, but
yeah,
I'm gonna try.
Yeah, I like everything about the area.
My computer is.
Yeah, we got plenty room. If I long it though, I'm only looking to target like 208 if I do long it though. Like I'm not trying to go any further. Because the market is
I'm going to
I just want to see us put in a high. We have yet to put in a high. We're holding the low, but we just cannot put in a new high.
So much selling going on right here.
Mm-hmm.
I did. I did. I gave it lower than the low. We may run the low one more time. Yeah, we're gonna.
It's not coming all the way down here and not running the low. No way. And because every time the reason why I didn't want it, because every time we kept coming up, we kept putting in lower highs every single time. And I'm just like, nope. If we continue to put in lower highs and not showing any strength to the upside, then we're just going to continue to push down lower until we can find buyers. We're just not finding participants to the buy side. That's why I'm just fading it until we can find some type of participants. We're not getting. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think we're gonna dig into 18K. Yeah, I think we could dig all the way down to 18K. I just don't think we'll dig into it like to start the day. I didn't think we would dig into it to start the day, but if we dig into 18,000 to start the day, we'll be down 300 points in the first hour from pre-market to now. So, I mean, it's interesting to say the least. Market wants down. Let this boy come down. We've officially flipped character on that 5-minute push down. So for me, like I'm at the point now where like if this thing doesn't bounce anytime soon, I'm more so willing to allow it to bounce and then just short it back down. The market clearly wants to go down. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. All right. So the market doesn't break above any significant structure. I'm not interested in the early interest today. I'm just not. The market has to break through some type of significant structure. If it doesn't, I mean, oh my God, look at these freaking stocks. Jeez. We're approaching that 18,081 level. Again, this is the level that I talked about in the top-down market analysis. This is 3.28% on the weekly. So this will be the first area I'll be looking for a tap, and then I'll just kind of move out to see what type of structure we have here. And you can see on the 30-minute, we got a little bit of a demand zone here. So this area would be very interesting to me. This buying looks good. Yep, I like this buying. All right, yeah, and we're tapping right into 50%.
Yeah, I got back
of that
long.
30-minute. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait until we break some structure first, but it looks good to the long side here. Okay. Oh yeah, I mean, I agree that the selling is here. Yeah, the selling is here, but that it doesn't negate the fact that the market is still being day traded, right? The market is still being day traded, so whether there's sells or buys, whichever direction the market is going in, is going to be opportunities to both sides. That's the way I look at it. But Malik is our resident fundamental trader. So not trader, but he definitely keeps us up to date on the fundamentals.
So you can get back up to where that. Nope.
Well, I guess the way I look at it is the news should be considered at all times, right? You should always consider the news, but the price action is going to be the price action on a daily basis, no matter what. Like, I think overall, if the market is moving overall to the bearish side, then that's great. But does that mean that if I come to a demand zone, we're not going to bounce back to structure? No, I mean, still, you know what I mean? Like, it still means in that day, there could be a structural bounce, right? I'm just not interested. Yeah, exactly. I'm not interested in longs today until the market can prove to me that it can get above a structural high. Today is a day where I'm eliminating the early entry out of my brain, because you see what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to take the early entry today, because it's just going to continue to sweep until it meets a low. Otherwise, I'm just going to try to predict where the low is. Yep. No. Yeah. I don't want to throw my tokens on the table just yet, because I know how egregiously selly we are, right? So when we're selly like this, I find myself trying to predict the high or the low, right? So I did that 4 times in the pre-market with my paper trade account. So that's when I told Bud, I was like, okay, early entries are off the table for me today. The market has to break a high, because if it breaks a high, then at least I know we've shifted character. Break a high and then put in a higher low. At least I know I'm on the right side of the market. If I take the early entry, I'm assuming that I'm going to be on the right side of the market, right? Based off, everything that I've been seeing. But I don't want to jump into that today. I think there's days where you can do that, but today ain't the day. Today is the day where you just sit back and you just follow the structure. Right now, every time we drop down, right, just do this, right? If you're trying to time this long, do this. Every time we drop down and we put in a new low, I want you to take the previous high, right? The previous high and the previous low, and just draw a fib, right? If the market taps back into that fib and rejects, it's going to keep coming down, right? So now we just put in a new low, right? We're trying to put in a new low. So I'm just going to do this, right? Every time the market comes down and it makes a new low, I'm just going to follow it down with the fib. If it comes back up to that fib and rejects, I know the market's not going to break above anything. It's just going to keep going down, right? If every time we keep tapping into 50% and we keep going lower, the market does not agree that that's a good price, right? And now we're breaking right through 3.28%, right? Like it was butter, right? So let's see if the market wants to come down 4%. This thing is flushing. This is flushing. Just don't step in the way of this train. I get it. On a normal day, right? We would be trying to be like, okay, we see all this aggressive buying coming in. Let's jump in and get in early, right? I get it. but the buying isn't accomplishing shit. Nothing, right? If the buying's not accomplishing nothing, just be patient. The opportunity to buy this market will come in, right? If you're interested in being a reversal trader and reversing this market, it will come. Just point out the highs, point out the lows, and just wait for one to break, right? At 139.75 is where I know the last high was put in. If we can't get back above that, I'm not taking longs. It's that simple. You can take shorts. I'm just not going to do it this low. So don't make it difficult, because on certain days it is time to get early entries. But that's in the correct direction of the market. The market is not bullish right now. It is not. It is very much bearish. So trying to time an early entry, shit, it's tapping right into 50% at 102.25. Literally on the dot. So if it can't get above 50%, it's gonna go lower. I just drew the red line. If it taps 102.75 and gets rejected, it's gonna go lower. I'm telling you, just I'm chilling. I don't care what this thing does. Yeah, 102.25. That's 50% of the previous high at 138, and the low. Yeah, we're down. He said, "Oh yeah, we're below 100. We're at 18,081.75 right now." I told you guys. I told you 18,000 was in play today. I said 18,081.75 was 3.28%. When I go back and watch the top-down market analysis, I'm going to show you exactly what this level was. And look now look at how now we're holding value here. Right at 3.28%. This is the exact level we sold off from. We sold off this exact amount last time CPI and PPI was reported. We sold off 3.28% on the 12th, the week of the 12th, and then the previous month we sold off 4%. So I have both of those levels marked because the market is on repeat, right? 18,081.75 is where the market sold off from. So and now we're getting buyers. See, the market's on repeat, y'all. I'm telling you, this shit's on repeat. We're living in the freaking matrix.
Jesus. Yeah, I don't think it's done selling though.
To me, it doesn't matter. If we get above 140 and come back down, I'll look to take it long. But I do like the consolidation down here. I might actually start me a small entry down here. Yeah, I like this consolidation. I like the level. I like the consolidation, but I'm not going to go full size. I'm just going to go with like 3 micros down here. And then if we can hold this level, I'll add full position after the break and retest. But I do like this level, and it fits my overall analysis on the market. So all right, I like this. Volatility is kind of slowing down a little bit here. Then again, maybe not. Nope, I'm out. Quick 10-point loss on 3 micros. I'm cool with that. Let's see if we hold the low though. Structure, I like this level, but again, we haven't put in a new high, so that's why I wasn't interested in putting on the full size. But I was interested in starting a position down here because I believe this is where the bounce is going to come from. What was that? Yeah, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I still think this is a good level though. I mean, the CBD is aggressively bearish right now. There's no way we're going to continue to sell. I take that back. I don't think that there's a way that we're going to continue to sell until the CBD gets to 10,000. But you know what? They'll make a special concession for OPEX Day.
Oh yeah, they don't care. They don't care
Yes,
about it's OPEX. They don't care.
So my full size is 2 minis, 1 or 2 minis. So when I'm in small size, I go to my micro chart and I'll trade micros just to get a little. Basically, I'm getting an early entry, but I'm not risking a lot to do it. So if I like the entry, I'm kind of using my micros as bait, where I'm like, okay, let me see how this behaves. So I'm not risking a lot to do it, right? So if it behaves properly and it breaks structure, then when it comes back on the retest, I'll switch to the mini account and I'll add full size while also being in profit on the 3 micros. So I'm basically using the contract sizes in my favor by switching between the contract sizes. That's all.
All right, I'll be right back. I gotta go help my wife. I'll be right back.
All right, cool. Yeah, I still like this area. Again, like I said, if you watch the top-down analysis, we've been talking about this area since last Sunday, right? And this is 3.2% right here, 3.28% on the weekly. This is a very good area for institutional money to step in, right? Will it hold? I don't know, right? I don't know, but it definitely looks good in this area, right? One of our members is long here. I think I'm also, yeah, I put a limit order. Yeah. I'm also long at 96. So we'll see what happens in this area. I really like this area. And I like the way the market's behaving here as opposed to how it was behaving earlier. And all that micro did, even though I got stopped out, when I saw the reaction after my stop out, it still made me believe that this was a really good area to long the market. So now I'm not in full size, but I'm in half size, right? So half size is like 1 mini, right? So, and then the target's just 206. I'm not looking to run this thing up. I'm looking to run it into 207, 206, and then take it back down the other way. Hey, Valdez. Yeah. Oh, okay, gotcha. I was just gonna say, don't be trying to outshine me today, bro. I don't appreciate you trying to get a better entry. Oh, you're in the funded, yeah. That's right. Yeah, focus. Bet. All right, and now we're trying to break above. Yeah, we're trying to break above the high at 138. And again, my target is the 206 level up here, right? I'm looking to come all the way back up to the 5-minute supply zone. First 128 is going to be on my list because there's a 5-minute supply zone there. But I think we can push all the way back into like 209. So. Yeah, I'm at break even today. I'm not messing around with the market today. I'm not giving nothing back. Yeah. Yeah, the market. These bears are not about this life today. They like, I don't care what you say. We're going down lower. All right, let's see if we can hold this area here. We did put in a protected low right there, so I'm gonna move my stop down to that low instead of the break even. I don't want to get stopped out as we start. I'm properly sized, it's fine. I'm less than 20 points, so that's well within my risk parameters. If we put in a lower high right here, it's gonna make me a little nervous, but I want to see us start to trade above that 119 level. This looks good here. A lot of buying coming into the market. We just want to see more aggressive buying come in and start to stop out some of these people that have been short late, right? So if we can get above 138, I think we push back through that consolidation. And again, my target is 208.25.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice push. Oh, fell off.
All right, we're tapping into that 128. This is the first area that I was worried about. So I want to see this. I want to see the market push right through this, or it's going to make me a little nervous if it doesn't. Again, this is that high that brought us the low. So I expect a lot of selling coming out of this area, but I want to see that low hold now, the one that we just put in at 110-ish.
Oh man, my computer is running so slow today. See if we get a bounce off of this 1 minute demand zone. Oh my god. This selling is so egregious today. Oh my god. What'd you say?
EVAL.
Yeah, I'm running Windows.
Bud said he builds computers as his signals going out.
Oh, hold on a second. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
As his signals going out. Yeah, I build computers. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh, dope. Super dope. Super dope. Bro, you family. Wow, bro. Everything you need, bro. You got it. You got it. Coca weed, baby. Anything you need, you got it. Coca weed, baby. What you need? Yo, what is going on with this trade? Okay, all right. I mean, if y'all want it, come and get it, bro. Like, what y'all gonna do? I ain't scared of you, Bears. I gave it to 15. I gave it 15. No, I'm in 1 mini. I gave it the protected low, so I'm giving it a yeah. If this hold, I might add. We get some aggressive buying coming here, I'm gonna add, but if not, then they'll take me out at 82. It's a nice close on that candle, but more selling just continues to come in this market. I like this for add. Let's see. I want to add before 96, but I'm also scared. If we hold, we're good. We're good, but I don't know. Let's see what happens. Come on, Bulls, show the F up. Do we got more news? Yeah, we got more news. Mother lover. Whoa, what is this? Oh yeah, this is news. I forgot. Dang. I'm still in. Nope. Out. All right. All right. I forgot we had news at 10. Why y'all didn't remind me? Yo, we had news at 10. I forgot, bro. I forgot about the news, bro. I forgot about the news, bro. I forgot. My entry was good, but we're still switching character. We're still not putting in a new high. These bulls, yo. I think the market still wants to go up. I'm salty that it stabbed me out for that measly freaking.
Oh, well, yeah, I tried to long it again at the bottom.
No. We were, I got long before you got off this. I was already long. I was in the same long.
Oh,
I forgot about the news and it stabbed me out. That little spike stuck me out. Dang, that pissed me off. That just upset me really, really bad. Again, more aggressive selling. Like this market that's another head and shoulders that we're putting in right there. Another lower high being put into this market. Jesus.
Ooh. Oh my God.
Ooh, I'm glad you stabbed me out. Never mind. Oh my God.
This selling is a green.
Yo, what is happening right now, bro? This selling is real. Oh my God, bro. What was that?
Yeah, I need to restart my computer after the day. This is horrible.
Why you didn't do it last night? It was
my computer ain't never run this slow. Nah, because
it was doing the same thing yesterday at the end of the day.
Yeah, no, that's when it started. It was weird.
Yeah, it was lagging in Discord. I was like, yo, what? My God, man. This market is on straight up timber mode. Let's check in with chat. All right. Yeah, what a fake. No trade yet until it calms down. Yeah, this thing is on demon time. 200 points in one candle. Yeah, bro, this is crazy. On YM, that recovery. Yeah, the recovery was nice. It just didn't hold. I think it still wants to bounce out of this area, but again, I'm leaving this thing alone, man. Until the market wants to do something other than like just sell, like God, and the VIX just continues to push higher. I took my lump already. I'm good. You don't need to show me no more. I already seen. I see what this market was capable of yesterday when I was trying to long it. I was like, nope. You lumped me yesterday. You're not gonna lump me again.
Yeah, maybe we take 45 and then we rally. I don't know.
I definitely don't see any relief looking at the VIX. Like this thing is, the VIX is at 71 now, damn near at 16.
Dang.
So I don't see any relief coming anytime soon. So
yeah, we're retesting the neckline of that head and shoulders.
Mm-hmm.
And we're looking pretty weak.
Yep. The sales coming out of here is just nasty.
Yeah, they are.
They're nasty. Soul searching.
Soul snatching.
Yeah.
Here it comes.
How much more are we gonna do? Lord, jeez. Are we gonna sell off like the entire morning? Is that the plan? You remember Malik was trying to get 220 and he was worried about getting his target at 220 200 points ago? Like this, man. 200 points ago, we was worried about whether or not he was gonna get 220. Here we are at 18K. Jesus.
And dropping.
Yeah, and dropping.
What are you talking about?
Yo, we're coming down to this. The next area I got is 17,962.5. That's a structural break right there. That's it. That's ball game. That's it. That's ball game. That, my friends, is the flip.
I got short at 75. See how low this thing can go.
You say what?
I got short at 75. I want to see how low this thing can go. Once we came back up and retested that neckline.
Once we came back up and retested, it's just like, you know what? Just capitulate, bro. Like, just go short. Just go short. Yeah, now that you've capitulated, of course, the market's gonna rip right back up. It must be time to get long now, guys. Justin officially capitulated to the short, so you know what that means. Time to go long. We just continue to make more. Oh my God, maybe not. Go ahead, print, bro. Print with your bad self, Justin. Let's go, baby. Secure some profit. Secure some profit. This thing is, yo, look at the time and sales, bro. What?
Yeah, all those sales as we're coming down. Yeah.
What is they on today? Oh my God. They said, y'all want to see how fast we can sell this market? Y'all want to see a dead body?
Y'all want to see a dead body? You know where we hide the dead bodies? In the shorts.
Oh my God.
We hide them in the shorts.
Y'all want to see a dead body? Here y'all go. Yo, this is crazy. Oh my God. Hasta la vista, long market.
Yes. C'est la vie.
Damn. Yo, OPEX Day never disappoints. Never disappoints. I installed the app on Chrome to remind of the news. Oh, do share, sir. Do share. My trading PC. Oh, dope. I love that. But Justin, you better take some damn profit, bro. Don't overstay your welcome. You know you late to the party. You know what happened when you finally capitulate. You come in late to the party, bro.
We should reject here.
See, and here you go. Here you go. You late to the party, man. That's like the 7th swing right there. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is expected. Yeah, I'm hands off. I if this thing continues to sell, like I'm just, yeah, I'll wait for the afternoon session. You already know what it is. Afternoon is when we have the most fun. All this volatility, that's cool. Running stops, buyers take a nap. Yeah, take a nap, bro. Just go lay down. Y'all had y'all fun, and now it's time. It's demon time now, baby. It's demon time. It's time for the Bulls to step back in. Game time. I mean the Bears. Sorry. Jonah probably having a field day right now. Jonah been waiting on this market to sell off for like 2 weeks. He like, bro, ain't no way we supposed to be this high. I'm like, hey, I'm just following the structure, man. Whenever structure tells me to start selling, I'll start selling. But structure has just spoken. Let's just say that. Damn, this shit
said structure has just spoken.
Oh, yeah, structure has spoken. Loud, I hear you, structure, loud and clear. Loud and clear. Discord fam, we got a 1 hour. We're creating a 1 hour supply zone that, again, I'm expecting price to come back up for air at some point, right? So just zoom out to the 1 hour and see kind of where we are as we continue this sell off. Like, you can watch it in all or continue looking for long opportunities, or you can participate in it and try to short it. Me, I'm planning out other trade ideas because clearly the plan that I had can just get thrown in the trash and, you know, never to be seen or heard from again, except for my macro plan. My macro was on point. My macro literally was, if we break out of balance, 18,000 will be in play and maybe 17,900. Well, we're 30 points away from 18,000, and 18,960 is the next level. So A lot of buying coming into this market right now. Justin, tell me you took your profit.
Yeah, I got out.
Liar. You're lying.
I got out on that second sweep. I'm not. I got out on the second sweep.
Liar. I'm just kidding.
Had to leave. Had to leave.
I don't think you left. Because this thing's still in a nice little downtrend. You're probably reading this like, hey, as long as we hold this trend.
Nah, I was just
all right.
in.
If we can get out of 80, if we can get above 87, I'm interested. But right now, I'm looking at the 1 hour and locking in areas where I want to short this market back down from. Because at this point, I could care less about this particular dump. Like this dump's over, right? Like, I mean, not over, but this dump has already happened. So do I want to long it? I could. I'd rather just wait for it to come back up and short it back down.
Rip City.
I knew that rip was coming. That's why I didn't want to short it, because I was like, everybody that's getting short late is going to get cooked. If you don't take your profits, you're going to get cooked. That's a very, very late short. Glad it paid, but no, thank you.
That it did.
All right, for me, guys, I'm waiting for price to get back up to about 207 through roughly about 229. We could, if we can't get above 127, then this thing's gonna really sell off. But there's two levels that I'm looking at. The first one is this 5-minute supply zone right here, right? Like right in this area here, all the way up to about right here. It sits right inside of this 1 hour. This is the high, or this is the low, this is the high. Right, that brought us down here. So there's multiple areas that I would like for price to come back to get ready to short, but it looks like it's almost time to go long though. So let's see. Finally we got above a structure. Damn. After waiting for all morning, we finally got above some structure. All right, now let's see if we can put in a lower high here.
Yeah, looks like we may be trying to hold this structure, but if we can't hold it, it's not gonna be a good day.
Yeah, if we can put in a higher low, come back down to the S&D that brought us up there, then I'll look to trade it around 57 to the long side, because this is a structural shift. I like this close above the high of 85. If we can hold this area, then I'm looking to take the market long. And I'm looking to take it long into that 165 area up there. But if we can't hold this area and we just sweep right through that 50%, then I'm just going to pass on another long opportunity. 58.50 is the area that I'm watching. 58.25, 58.50, even through like 65. That's the high. That's the high. That's the top of the buy box right there. So another sweep on the tape. That looks really, really good. We might pump from here. Yeah, that was a really good sweep on the tape right there.
Yeah,
really
I
nice sweep.
Come back down one more time.
Yeah, I want to see it come down though. Like, that was a really nice sweep.
8.5. No,
we're not coming back down. We're not coming back down. Again, if you guys have been rocking with me, we use that 15-second high and low, and we use that demand zone as support right there. Took a nice long at 59. Good job. Yeah, I like the long at 39. I was just looking for I was setting up my charts for the potential shorts. But yeah, I really like that long at 59. Really nice entry.
Who took a long at 59? Let me see that.
Valdez, your computer's on the fritz there, bucko. Time to long? Yeah, it's definitely time to get long. And I'm out of the long, done for the day. Good job, James. Time to paper trade. Thank you, Hobbs, for the paper trading idea. Give someone edge in these markets. Hey, man, hey, no problem, brother. No problem, man. I'm glad that worked out for you, bro. Glad it worked out for you. Again, we're looking to push out of this area again. If I'm not long down here at the 40s, I don't want the trade, right? So once Justin got short, I should have been looking to get long because usually Justin, when he finally capitulates, it means the market's about to reverse. When he finally gets annoyed, he's just like, when he's finally annoyed, he like, you know what? F it. I'm just going to long the market. I'm like, okay, I'm just going to short the market. All right. Time to get long, guys. All out here. Good job, bro. Nice 50-point banger, man. Solid, real solid. Yeah, so if I miss this long entry, which I did, right, then I'm just looking for price to come back into first 127. That's the first area that I'm looking for to potentially short the market back down. But I think we'll squeeze above this area for sure. The aggressive buying, we need a relief bounce. Like this market has been selling off all morning. Like we definitely need a relief bounce of some sort. But 128 looks good. What we need and what we actually get, two totally different things. But the VIX is retracing here after trying to break above that previous high at 97. So I'm expecting the market to continue to push up. There's a couple areas I'm looking to get short, right? Like I like 131, right? Because of all this consolidation we had. Remember, we had all this consolidation right here, but we kind of closed that gap. I like this area more because we have a nice gap here, right? I really love when I can find these gap fills from 175.25 up to about 209. And I'll be patient for that move and, fade everything else and just look for this particular move. And then I'll be done trading on the day if I can catch that move. Matter of fact, let me open up my 300K joint too. This is a trade that I'll wait on. Have you tried deleting some of your recordings on the tape, Justin?
Yeah, I've done that before. I might have to do it again, honestly. I don't know. I guess I gotta check my memory.
Yeah, that slows down my computer a lot. When I went through and started deleting a bunch of those, it sped up a lot. So that might be a reason as well.
Here comes another aggressive push.
Yeah, as long as the VIX keeps coming down, I expect this push to continue. I missed it because I was trying to look for areas to potentially get short, but I definitely faded I didn't fade it. I just wasn't paying attention to it. So it's all right. We'll wait for the next setup. Where did we ended up bouncing? We ended up bouncing at 29. What the F is at 29? Man, these sellers are still getting filled. They're not done. They definitely going to want to sell this thing down some more. All right, we can't. This is the high that brought the low. So let's see if this holds. Or selling. I mean, if y'all can see this tape, it's just it's absolutely ridiculous the amount of selling that's coming into this market.
Yeah, I got short at 175.
Yeah, nice. I'm gonna wait for
can't break down
the market
here.
to come back.
We'll see though.
I think we come back up a little further, but
we might come back up further.
Either we come back down and retest 65 so I can take it long, or we go back up so I can short it. We come back down and retest 65, and I'll entertain longs, but
Yeah, first job market got to do is break below 80.
Yeah, because you're shorting against the structure right now. Structure's to the upside right now, so you might be shorting off that high from the left side, but the right side of the market is bullish.
Yeah, very true. Very true. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out here. That's unfortunate. Yeah, that bullish 80 held. Yeah, yep. I gotta stop doing that. I feel like I lose every single time.
Well, you're going to lose every single time because the market, you're shorting what you saw instead of what you're seeing, right? And I be trying to stop you, but it's like when you get it in your head that it's going to work out, you'd be like, yeah, maybe. And then what really F's you up is if later it sells off, you'll be like, well, I was right. I was just early. It's like, no, bro. You was early not because of what the left side did. You were early because of what the right side ended up doing, right? You gotta trade the reaction, not what you think or what has happened, right? Like you're trading the history as opposed to the reaction, right? As long as the market continues to put in new highs and hold the lows, it's going to continue to go up until we break through a structural low. Then we'll shift back down and start trading lower. You're trying to get these early entries and they're kind of screwing you over a little bit. And right now we're just consolidating because we just broke a new high, or we just broke above a previous high. Yeah, for me, I'm just going to wait till all of this nastiness is over, allow price to potentially come back up. But right now, it looks like price doesn't even want to come up a little bit. It seems like price wants to continue to go lower. I'm just willing to wait it out and let it do what it's going to do. This is that price action that I always get cooked in, and I'm just not participating in this shit anymore.
Yeah, we're definitely consolidating here. A lot of selling going on. God, it is. I'm so glad that we marked this is OPEX day because
that's what I said. That's what I
now.
said, bro. That's what I said. Like I marked this day from here on out. That's why I just be patient on days like this. When the market looks like this, bro, like just be patient, man. Like it'll calm down a little bit. It'll calm down. I think we want to go back up. I just need to see it so I can get short. I'm not interested in longs. Not today. Not when these bears are spoken this loudly. Like, nah, I'm good. Let this thing come back up and I'll look to short it back down. All of those sellers are not going to let their position go negative. They'll let it come back up. They'll buy it back up, but they're not going to let it go negative. So whenever the market comes back up to the area that I'm interested in, I'll look to short it back down. Right now, I'm just going to fade all of this action right now. It just feels too volatile for my soul today. And I'm just not for it. I'm like, no, I'm good. I already know where this goes. It's just like yesterday. Like when I was having, it wasn't even a bad day. I was just reading price. I was reading price really well. And then I was being greedy. So I just said, you know what? Nah. I'm going to take my ball and go home into the PM session. And I waited until the PM session and I had a really good day. I took one trade and murdered it. I just waited for the volatility to be done. And that's kind of what I'm waiting on here. This is way too much volatility for me. Like it makes me too overzealous and too overconfident in what I think I see And because the volatility is so strong, if I'm wrong immediately. And it really fucks with your mental. So understanding that, knowing that, I'm hands off. I'm good. For now. Not done trading. I'm done with this price action until we come back up to a level where I deem is an area where I want to short, which is 207.75 if we get through here. See, you would have been cooked 3 different times on these shorts because you would have kept trying to short it, but we never broke the low, right? We kept coming down aggressively to the low, but we never broke it. And I know that's a trade that you have nightmares about because you take that trade a lot. And I'll be like, Jay, stop taking that trade. Stop it. All right, we just tapped into that 127. You see the reaction, but I think the Bulls might want to push it past 127 and get past this first area because we kind of closed this gap already. So I'm looking for price to go back up to where that gap is, which again, that gap sits at about 175. So I want to see us come back up there. If we start to sell from here, I'm going to pass on the short. Just because of how aggressive we held that low, I think the market wants to move much higher than this. And by the way this tape is looking, if we can get back above on the other side of 129, I think the market can push into 170 or 175 and then 207. See how choppy. Remember when it was so hard to sell the market, and now like look how hard it is for the market to push up. It's because every single level we're meeting sellers trying to get filled, right? So now you can tell that the intent has flipped, right? The intent is to sell this market off. So at every level they're looking to get some shit off their chest, right? They're looking to say it with their chest at every level, so to speak. They're not trying to let this market go up at all. So it'll eventually go up, but it's going to be a chop fest until it finds buyers, right? Like true buyers to take us up higher. So perfect inverse head and shoulders. I'm looking at. I just looked at our StreamYard. I'm like, dang, that's a.
I know. I'm looking at the 5 minute.
Oh, the 5 minute. I'm like, God, that thing is textbook. So
we gotta come back down and retest.
So we already did when you were trying to get short. We pushed back down and retest 83, or 83. That's the body of that previous candle. That's the shoulder. The shoulder's already been put in. I don't think we're coming back down. I think that all of that consolidation was the right shoulder being put in. I think the market's trying to hold. I am looking at the 5.
Oh, I think the market's going to come down one more time.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the 5 is what's on my screen. I'm looking at the 5, and I'm looking at that wick at 84.75. You're looking at the wick at 71 as a potential retest, right?
The wick at 70. Wait, what time?
Just look at the wick at 71 at the only wick to the left shoulder. There's only one wick down there. It's at 18.071 on the 5 minute.
Are you talking about right here?
Justin, there's only one wick at 9:45 where a potential left shoulder. There's only one wick there.
Oh, okay, yeah, but we still got to come down to make the right shoulder before we push up.
No. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. Okay, you're looking at the 10 o'clock wick. I'm talking about the body of the. Okay, now I see what you're looking at. 9:45. I'm looking at the 9:45 candle and using that as the potential shoulder.
Yeah, that'd be one.
Not all the way down here. That's what I'm saying. And I'm looking at because remember, it ain't gonna be perfect. I'm looking at the wick on the candle at 10:20 as being the other shoulder already. What happened?
Oh, okay. Oh no, my computer is all fucked up. It just went black screen all of a sudden.
We just changed character again at those highs. We put in lower highs again. So this market could get ready to sell off even more. I think we start to go up just because of, like I said, the way we held that low. I think the market's gonna go up, but we still have to put in a high above 126. So much freaking selling going on. Like this CVD is so negative. Like you only see this on OPEX days. Only. The good thing about OPEX days is that we get a lot of aggressive selling or buying, and then usually in the afternoon it goes the other way. Like it literally goes all the way back up. You'd be like, no way, we're going all the way back up. Like, yep, we're going all the way back up. Welcome to OPEX. It's like they get rid of all the things that they've been trying to. They get rid of all of the old options. They sell them all, and then they start filling up new call options, right? So I think we at least go back to 207. That's what I'm hoping for. If we come back up there, I'll look to short up there.
I'm hoping we sell off here, come back down into the 70s, and then we go from there. So I'm gonna try to short this down back to the shoulder and then take it long.
You taking that first 5 minutes supply zone? Yeah,
I
like that area.
The one all the way up.
No, I'm the one that we're at right now at 128. It's like a little doji candle right there on the 5 minute. I'm not taking that one because it doesn't have a gap fill. So I'm looking for the one that has the fair value gap, and that one sits at the fair value gap sits at 171 through roughly about 207. So that's where I'm looking to get short, somewhere in that block. I think we're going to push all the way up there. We just got to get through this area right here. This is a lot of selling that took place in this area.
Yep. Yep.
Again, we're still trying to hold this level. The 15 minute. Let me look at the 15 minute. God, it looks so weak. Buyers look so weak. They look so pathetic. I'm like, bro, what happened? Y'all was so tough since October. Y'all been so tough. Dang, talk about a turn of the tide. Jeez.
Yeah, I'm trying another short here. I think we come down back down to that 5 minute demand, and I'll look for a long down there.
Yeah, I like the 5 minute as well. I think the area definitely flipped. Okay, I was just all right.
No, go ahead. I'm listening.
No, I was just saying trust your analysis. I do trust your analysis. I'm like, yeah, I know. I was saying. I think the character.
I see what you see.
I just want us to come up higher. I just don't want to. I don't want to short from here. I want the market to come up higher. I think we still can come up higher as long as we continue to hold this particular low right here.
Yeah,
this is the low I think the market needs to get through. If it doesn't get through this low, then we're going to continue to trade higher. But if we hold this particular low, then we'll go higher. It's a lot of selling and buying going on in this area. This market is trying to sell off. The VIX is at 75 right now. Jesus. Dropping to 70. Here come the buyers. Yeah, I just think the market wants to come up a little higher before it sells off again. I think it's just trying to trap late sellers and early buyers. All in one swoop.
I think you mean the other way around. Late buyers and early sellers.
No, I mean it the way I said it. Late sellers and early buyers. Late sellers because you should have been selling at the high, right? You should have been selling way. Yeah, you should have been selling way up there, but now you're trying to sell here because of what you just saw happen. So you're a late seller. You could get rewarded, right? But the market shifts character to the buy side. So you're a late buyer if you're just starting a position up here, and you're a late seller if you're up here as well. So hence consolidation, right? I think the market wants to go up from here, but you know, it is what it is. I think we want to come all the way back up and close that gap.
If this rejects here, I'll feel much better about this trade. But if this continues buy here, then I might be in a little bit of trouble. Let's see. Yeah, it's not popping down. Yeah.
89 people in the building, ladies and gentlemen. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already. We really appreciate the participation. Again, if you're using Apex, if you would, the link to our discount code is scrolling across the bottom as we speak, and then Justin's link is also inside of the videos that we're having. So make sure you guys use those discount codes if you want to support the channel. We really appreciate you guys. All right, here comes that push, a break above this area. We're trying to get through this area. If we get through this area, I'm expecting price to come all the way back up to 207. If we get above 207, then the next place I'll look to short is 234. But I'm definitely watching price from 175 to 207 to look to get short. We're finally getting that little relief that I figured was happening, was going to happen, right? So expect the market to continue to rally into 207. As long as we were going to hold that low down there in the 90s, I was very confident that we would continue to push up higher. What's that, brother? Yeah, I knew the relief was coming. I knew we were coming, bro. Like there's no way we were gonna continue to trade lower. People would make too much money. We got to come back up. They're gonna feel this. They're gonna fill some of this shit up. If they fill it up, this is the first area where I would be looking for buyers to step in, though. Like if buyers step in right here, sellers, sorry. If sellers step in right here, I'm gonna fade this trade because I want price to do what I want it to do, not the other way around, right? If it doesn't do it, then I'll just not trade until later on the day when I see a setup that I like. The setup that I'm looking for is the gap fill right here. I want this 5-minute gap to get filled from 177 through roughly 207 on the 5-minute chart. And then I'm going to be looking to sell it. I'm going to be looking to sell the market up there. If the market comes back up here, I'm definitely going to be looking to sell it. If it doesn't, hey, it's what it is. Nah, ain't no job stopping your bread, bro. Market ain't stopping my bread neither. Y'all know let's go. Y'all know I got this got that bag down there in the 90s. You know I was gonna get that consolidation. You know what I'm saying? You know I don't waste no time on that consolidation. But I'm still looking for the push into 207 for the shorts too.
Let's go.
Teach and trade, baby. Teach and mother effing trade. This is what I do, baby. Let's go. Zoop. I see you, Valdez. I see you, bro. Step your game up, Valdez.
Is Valdez typing?
Yeah, he typing. He ain't ready for me though.
He's typing.
He tried to beat me. He couldn't get there though. He couldn't get there. Nice try, Valdez. Nice. He can't hear us. He has us deafened. Step your game up, Valdez. All right, I'm gonna cut 2 contracts right there. I was in 3 minis at the lows. I'm gonna take off 2 contracts here and let the last runner ride. I liked everything what I was seeing out of this area. That's why I was trying to talk my partner out of taking the shorts, but you know, you gotta trust your analysis, right? You gotta trust your analysis. That's why I was like, hey, trust your analysis. All right, locking in 129 with the last.
I like the consolidation up there. We just continue.
I saw what you saw, but I like the consolidation at the low, right? And that's why I was like, I mean, it could work out, but I'm going to hold on to the thesis of the consolidation at the low. I just didn't want to influence your trade either way. I was like, well, I'm just keep it.
No, because I thought we were going to come down one more time, sweep at least down to 71, and then go. So I was trying to play that.
Yeah, and that's why I was trying to explain on the sweep, the initial sweep. That's why I said I thought the shoulder had already been put in, and you were waiting for the shoulder. I was like, I'm pretty sure the shoulder's already been put in, but I could be wrong. And when you pointed it out, I was like, damn, he might be right. But I'm gonna hold on to the trade because I like my entry, and I was at break even. So I'm like, well, I'm in at 89. So if this thing pushes all the way back down, then so be it. But I'm in at 18.089. I took 3 minis and I took 2 off at this area right here, and now I'm just waiting to see if we can push into 207.50 for the last contract. The last contract set to sell at the original. Oh shit, I'm into Apex. Hang on, I might want to take this off. Dang, I forgot we got drawdown. Oh no, I don't have drawdown. Never mind. I'm good. Never mind. I'm good. I forgot. Hey, there you go. 300K boy today. Lego. All right, locking in 29 or 29 right there. Oh, there it goes. All right, tap me out at 29. Again, this is an area where the market could reverse. So I was willing to give back 29, which was my first profit target, right? Remember, I walked you guys through this trade multiple times. I was in this trade I missed this trade down at the low. So I took it again when we came back and retested. I told you guys 84 was a retest area for me. I told you 92 was a retest area for me. And once we got in there, I took the market long at 89. I'm not going to tell you every single entry I take, but I will analyze the charts while I'm looking at the trades, right? But at the same time, you should be able to deduce, right, what I'm saying. Like I've told you guys 37 times now where I plan to short this market, right? I told you where I plan to long the market, right? So I'm not going to tell you every single move I make, but I can tell you before I make it. I can tell you exactly what I'm looking for, right? And if I get what I'm looking for, I'm not going to hesitate. I'm going to enter the market, right? So the first area I was looking for the market to push through was this 127, 128 area. We're aggressively pushing through this area, and now I'm looking to see how the market behaves at 175, right? 175 through roughly about, 175 through roughly about 207. And that's where I'm looking to short the market. So there you have it. And this grind up here is super choppy, which gives me even more confluence to look to short this market. Let me see where we came from. The high, the low. All right, this is the high. This is the low here. Oh yeah, that's even more confluence. Ooh, ooh. I didn't even see that. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys the other confluence that I have to short this market at around 175. So on the 1 minute, if you take the fib, right, from the high to the low, like the high was London's high or pre-market high at 638. You take the fib and you run it all the way down to where we bounced, right? Shoot, I don't even think I'm low enough yet. Hang on. Wasn't enough room on the screen. All right. All the way down to where we bounced. Guess where that level sits? 175.25 on the nose. So that's like quadruple confluence to short the market right there, right? So don't say I didn't give you nothing. It doesn't mean as soon as price comes there, I'm going to short the market, right? Be clear. When price gets there, if we start to change character, I'm going to be looking to short the market, right? Just so you guys understand. This area right here is where all of that consolidation started. Notice how we're coming to this area again and we're consolidating again, right? This is where that consolidation started before we dump. We retapped 175 and then we dumped, right? We're tapping. Yeah, hey, I ain't paid you, bro. Hey, I made enough, bro. 3K is enough. I'm good. I don't need more than that. I ain't paying you, baby. I just, again, 175 to 207 is where I would say bears might get exhausted. So yeah, I'm right after that. Yeah. I thought you were long at the bottom at 59. You cut that and got back in? Okay. You had to get it back real quick. Yeah. Gotcha. I'm tracking. Yeah, you gotta get it back every day. I feel you, man.
Yeah, I'm watching to see if this fails right here. If this fails when we put in a new low, then I'll wait for us to retest. Just because this is where we dropped with all that consolidation earlier. So, but if we pop here, then like you said, we're just gonna keep going, and I'll wait till 205.
Yeah, 175 through 207. But I really like this area as well. Like you said, this is where the consolidation was, right? So I would wait to see if we break at least 128 and then retest or sweep 128 and then come up and sweep the high into 175 and then go. I would much rather us liquidity sweep all the way up so I can freaking knock this thing across the head on the sweep. But I'm just being patient. I know exactly where I want to trade. I know exactly what I'm looking for, and I'm just gonna wait. It'll show up. Always does. We're tapping back into this previous day low here, right here too, 159. There's so many confluences right here to short this market. Let me see where VWAP is just to give myself some even more sauce. Oh, right at the previous day low. Yep, that's what I thought. Okay. Yep. That's why I don't really use VWAP because, again, like I already have VWAP. I kind of know where it is anyway. So I ain't tripping. We're so far away from settlement price. Settlement price was all the way up at 340, I think 370. Here
we go.
Look, we swept 81.75 and then used it as a shoulder at 10.13. Y'all see that? 81.75 was what a 3.28% was, and we swept it and then came back up and used it as a freaking shoulder. We call that level out last Sunday. Look at this thing, man. Look at this. This is the level I put in my top-down analysis last Sunday. We swept this level. Remember, I took the long here and I got cooked. So I said, okay, I'll wait till we come back up and hold it. And once I saw this hold, I got in at 92, right? Or 89. I got in at 89. I said, you know what? I'll put my stop below here and accept the risk because I was confident in this level right here. That's why I do the top-down analysis, because that thing gives me confidence when we come into some of these areas, because I've seen it work out. 7 weeks straight, 8 weeks straight, that thing's been money. So here's 63 push. There we go. Let's go, Valdez. Let's go, baby. Kill count, baby. He said, boom. Nah. We let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. Hey, man. Hey, OPEX murdered, bro. What is OPEX? OPEX who? I don't know no OPEXs. I don't know no OP. OP who?
Jesus.
All right, we're pushing into that 175 area that we talked about. If you guys are watching the show, man, hit the like button, bro. If we ain't calling this market to the T, I don't know what else you need, man. We gave you the low. We're giving you the retracement area right now, right? Watch out for 175. We just tapped into 172, right? We're watching 175 through 207 for shorts, okay? And again, when I say I'm watching, I'm waiting for a structural shift. I'm not looking to short the market on an early entry or long the market on an early entry. I need to see the market change character and then come back for a retest, and that's when I'm in, right? Same thing I did down here at the bottom. I faded the first push out. I noticed that we weren't going to push all the way back down. I identified my level of where I thought the shoulder was being placed, and then I pounced, right? So that's what I'm looking to do here. The structural break that needs to happen for me is 127. We need to sell down about 30 points, right? Reverse structure, and then come back up and retest about 50% of that sell, right? But if we continue to push higher, I'm not going to put a trade on. I'm just literally waiting. The market rewards the patient, and everybody else goes to the barbecue, right? I ain't trying to get barbecued. 150, if we come down and break this low, 150 is going to be the retest of structure right there. Otherwise, I'm fading everything else. Bro, come on, dog. Come on, dog. Come on, dog. You gotta read it, bro. That's it, bro. Yeah, and that's okay, right? Like, again, that's why I tell you, like, entries and exits are up to the individual trader, right? And that's and that's fine. That's why I'll never fade anybody for their waiting for their entry or waiting to their exit hits, right? This is a lower high being put in potentially after a bearish engulfing, but that bearish engulfing did not accomplish anything. Therefore, I'm going to fade it if it's a lower high. That bearish engulfing, usually it used to cook me because I would short trying to get the high at 169, and I'll be like, yeah, this thing's about to go down. It's about to go down. And then this next candle would rip straight through my stop. Not saying that that's what's going to happen because it looks good to the downside, but I don't care because it doesn't fit my rules right now. When my rules are hit, right, then I'll look to short it. It's probably already shifting on a lower time frame, but I don't care. I only care about the lower time frame after I've gotten the shift on the 1 minute.
That worked out perfectly.
What worked out perfectly?
The music said, "Yep," after you were done.
Oh, I didn't even hear it. I was like, what are you talking about? Oh, go ahead, look at it. He like, wait a minute, let me see that again. Go ahead and look at it. You'll be impressed. Yeah, I know. It hurts, don't it? It hurts, don't it? He said, come on, man. He just kept talking through the speech. Like, yeah. Order filled. Hey, what? Was that y'all phone? Like, what was that, Mr. Valdez? Oh, that's my ringtone. Don't sweat it. That's what you should do. You should change your ringtone. You just change your ringtone to order filled. Hell nah, bro. Nah, give me my bread, bro. Yeah, facts. Yeah, facts. And it's a skill that you can transfer over for when you decide to go and, make your trading, maybe you try to do your own Discord or something like that, right? You'll have that experience to market yourself, So. Mm-hmm.
What do you sell? Do you sell paper? Do you sell paper? Yeah.
All right. Here come the sellers into the market. I don't know what. I have no idea what Justin's talking about. I have no idea. I'm so lost, bro.
Thank you, Malik. Thank you, Malik. You never watched The Office?
No. Light skin, bro.
They sell paper. Just wondering if you worked at Dunder Mifflin.
I don't sell paper. Justin equals lame.
What? I was just... Hey,
that's
The
Jayhawk.
Office is an amazing show. I was wondering if you saw.
All right, looks like that tap of 172 was a banger. If you got it in there, good job. I'm just gonna wait until we switch character on the 1 minute. I want to see all of this consolidation taken out at 127. We're almost there. Yes, sir. You got the whole move, bro. But again, your entry and your exit was on point. But how many points did you secure overall on that trade, right? Because if you think about it, your exit and your entry secured about the same amount of points that I secured as well, right? So you took it into 175 and you secured 60 points, right? Exactly. So it's and I took it at 89 and got out at the high or at 150, somewhere around there. So it's like tomato, bro. Like it's all love. You know what I mean? Like you can kill this market any way you see fit, right? Yeah, money, bro. That's it, bro. Yeah, especially with NQ, man. It's just Oh, where they at? I gotta go look at them. Give me a second. I'm actively looking to trade this. Give me a second. I'm actively looking to trade this here. Yeah, I want to short this, but I want to see the structure break first at 127, and then us come back up to put in the maybe the. I'm not sure if this is the inverse or this is the shoulder at 152. But if this is the shoulder and I just missed it, that's fine. I've done damage to this market already. I'll catch another one. I've never watched an episode either. I thought I was the only one. I was like,
go watch it because it's an amazing show.
All right, there's the tap of 130, that 172 entry. Like I told you guys, between 175 and 207, we tapped 172, looking really nice for about 100 points here, or 50 points. Very clean. You take the short, Jay? Just
I wanted to see. Okay. I wanted to see us break below 129.
Yeah, me too. That's what I wanted. And then I want to see this come back
up. I'm done getting the early entries on the day. I'm gonna brand new account,
you learn. So. All right, good. Yeah. That's why I just eliminated it from my memory, bro. I said, and it was because we paper traded this morning. It's because Bud and I paper traded. He asked me a question, and I was like, "Well, let me just show you. Like, this is a paper trade." Bro, I tried to loan that market. The market was like, "Yeah." I was like, "All right, cool, bet, cool, no big deal, no big deal." All right, there's the close below the low. Now we just want to see us trade back into the high about 50%. Or come all the way back up and sweep the high. We just swept the low. I'd love to see the high swept. I love it. I absolutely love it. That would just make me a very happy man.
Yeah, I want to see what we do at 149 and get back up there.
$172.50, but yes. Yeah, that's the high right now, but we swept the previous high of 152. So when I say swept the high, sweep the low, I'm talking about the previous high of the wick was 152, that high wick, and then the low was 127, where we're sweeping right now. So we swept the high, and now we swept the low. But let's see if we sweep the low and then sweep the high, or we come back into 145 and I'll look to get short. Looking at the tape, it doesn't look like the market wants to come up for air at all. So maybe we just drop from here. I don't know. I'm too late. I'm too late to the party. So if the shorts come in right here, then they'll just go without me. I'm too late to where I want to enter. So where I want to enter is closer to the high or on a retracement. And right now we're just on a downtrend. So if we retrace, I'll look to enter, but I've gotten everything I wanted out of the trade or out of the idea. Now I just need the market to do the last part. But if I take it here, I already know what happens if I take it here. Usually, right? Usually when I take it here, it's yeet. I'll be like, yep, that I deserve that market. Yeah, I deserve that market very well. Be like, yeah. That's why I'm like, nah, I'm not in no rush to get back this money. So, yep. So, market want to do what it do. Let it do what it do, baby. All right, we're kind of building value down here at these lows, so I want to see an aggressive candles push up and sweep the high. Basically making that current high right now, I want to make that the potential shoulder, right? Because I always long it right there. I always short it right there, and I'm always a loser right there. But clearly today, the market's like, should have got it. Should have got it, stupid. You don't know nothing, Hobbs. You know nothing. What's up, brother? Yes, sir. Yes, that I will say is the truth against the trend. But like for me, I'm gonna try to keep it the same every single time. So I don't do something different every single time. And that's why I'm trying to just get my brain to eliminate the early entry, right? As much as I love the early entry, I can't even tell you the amount of losses I've taken for trying to get the early entry. So I'm trying to eliminate that out of my brain and just focus on my process, right? And my patience. Now, this particular trade, I could argue that, all right, you got everything you wanted and you didn't take the early entry. Should you take the early entry? No, but what I would say is off that bearish engulfing candle, the retest of 157, I could have gotten that entry. See what I'm saying? Like I could have gotten that retest and failure at 157, and I should have been comfortable with that entry because that's not the early entry, but it's definitely a rejection after a bearish engulfing. You see what I'm saying? That's equivalent to me taking the entry down at the low at 80.37. You see what I'm saying? That's literally the same. Yeah. Because we're not coming down, like we're selling. Exactly. We're coming down, but we're not coming down aggressively, which is why I think we might pull back and then go up and retest one more time. Which is fine. This still could have been a nice trade. I mean, shit, this is a 60-point move to the downside right here. So would have been a nice trade. So again, being patient, I'm cool with missing these type of moves because I'm analyzing what's happening, right? And I'm understanding, okay, what could I have done differently right there? Like the only thing I think that I would have done differently is potentially take it short at 157. And then I would have had to been risking about 20 points. So I would have only been in like 1 mini or 5 micros right there. Oh, was it? Okay, nice. Yeah, because the lower. Oh, that's right. I did check that earlier. But yeah, that was the breakdown and retest of that bearish engulfing. But I always get scared of that bearish engulfing and that next candle that comes afterwards because I've just been cooked by that candle so many times where we get the bearish engulfing and then I short it and then that next candle comes up and it just completely goes up and it never stops. I just be like, bro, how? But we're holding. Go ahead, brother. Oh, you mean Valdez? That's Valdez. Valdez be saying that. Yeah. Valdez be like, yeah, whatever. These candles get ate up all the time. Like you can cry all you want to, bulls. When you be saying when you see those sweeps, you be like, yeah, whatever. Yeah. Bro, look at oil. They're moving money. They're moving money out of. No, not as long as I see the commodities going up. Oil is still ripping. So it feels like the market's rotating, right? Like they're moving money out of the ETFs and into the commodities. because you see oil and probably all of the other wheat and all that other crap is probably going crazy. So yeah, I really like this. I really like this setup, but it didn't set up the way that I would have liked it to go. So I just passed on the trade. But I definitely was looking for this trade setup, and I just kind of whiffed on it. I was hoping that we would come back, and maybe we still will. So just being patient. And y'all quiet today, or is the comments not coming in? Somebody text in the chat. Make sure the comments coming in.
Just quiet.
Oh, okay. Good. Everybody making their money on OPEX Day Friday.
I think
quiet as heck. Let's get it. All right, cool. I mean, I'm all good with it. I'm cool with it. I just shocked. I haven't heard from nobody in like 2 hours. Again, we caught a nice long at the bottom. Took a couple losses down there, and that's fine. But we took one with small size and one with a larger size. So, but then the trade that we actually took, we said, F it, moving to the big boy account, going ham. Bang, bang.
Moving to the big boy account, going ham.
Yeah, going ham. That was the idea.
Going me a ham. Oh, it's 5 minute demand zone is kind of holding right now.
Oh yeah, we're not done to the downside by any means. Mm-hmm. But I don't view this as a demand zone just because it didn't. But I know what you're saying, Jay. The structure of it, but because it didn't bring us a new high, it's a weak low on the 5 minute anyway. So I think it'll break.
You wouldn't say this demand zone didn't break above 108, which was the previous high that we had. I mean, it might.
Yeah, but it didn't break. But it broke above the previous, but not above the high to the left. Right? Like it didn't get above the structural high that brought it there. And exactly, which was pretty important. The fact that we couldn't even tap into 175. Yeah, no, I'm not trusting this low right here at all. Could it bounce? Yeah, but I would be looking for it to bounce just so I can short it back down. This is a nice sell-off, though. This could be just the sell-off of the uptrend, though. I do agree with that part of it, of your thesis, though, Jay. Especially with how choppy we're coming down, this low could definitely hold. It's definitely a new high on the 1 minute time frame, but the 5 minute, which is what we were discussing, it wasn't a strong low, but it's definitely a strong low on the 1 minute.
Nah, we're breaking through.
Not yet. I really don't want to see this break. I really just want them to come back up one more time. If I don't catch this trade, then I'm probably be done done until the PM session. Because if this comes straight down and we don't get a relief, it's gonna flush and break all the way back down to. It might come all the way down to 17,900. I'm not gonna chase it that way. This is the last little high volume area at 83. If we get through that, this thing's coming down. There's no buyers. Buyers. Come on, come up one more time. Please. Pretty please. Right? Something, man. Damn. Like, God. Can y'all do something? Like, jeez. Y'all just gonna let this thing sell all the way down? No chill? Nothing? God. They just went to sleep on the charts. They was like, yeah, we're good. Coming down, coming down. Man, I should have brought this box down just a little bit more. Right there would have been perfect. Damn, we tapped right into that box. Tap right into this wick right here on the one.
Let's see if we break this high.
Above 127.
Yeah. I was thinking I'm going to though.
These bears, man, when they start selling, bro, this is like, it's no fun. Like, can we get a pullback, please? Please. Pretty please. Look at the stock market here, man. It's nothing for me to do down here. Oh my God, Microsoft. What the? NVIDIA? That's why we rallied.
Okay, here we go.
NVIDIA is going up on a Tuesday.
All right.
NVIDIA going up, baby, going up.
Come on,
break the high, break the high, break the high. You can do it. You can do it.
Close above 121, and then let's just retest, and then we'll take the market long, back up into the high, or not.
Well, the wick is the high, but I mean, in this situation, you want us to break above the highest point, which is the wick. You don't want to take the body. You want a body closure above the wick.
No, that was a failure regardless. That was a massive failure.
Okay. Do something to make me feel good, market. All that volatility. Now we're just gonna go to sleep, man. All right. I'm about to the point where I don't want to ruin my Friday. You know how you hit that level on a Friday, you just like, man, it's been such a great week. I don't want to ruin my Friday. I'm about to the point where I'm just about to hang up my sneakers until about 1 o'clock. It's getting into that territory right now. You want to see 107 hold, but without that breaking that high, like These bears have no chill, bro. I'm so scared to short the market, though. It's crazy because I feel like the market is just gonna keep selling, but I'm so scared to short the market when the market's this extended. Like, nah, I'm good. I shouldn't say scared. I just don't think it doesn't fit the way I like to trade. I should say that. Market's heavy. Yeah, market is heavy. It's hard. It's hard for these bulls to hold this thing up. Not Bob. Not Bob. B. That's what it says. Don't at me. Yeah, Amazon's going down. Alphabet's going down. Apple's been going down. We called that out on the 4-hour a long time ago. Me and Trista was reading it. I was like, just wait for it to retest this area. You know me? I'm always ready, man. Oh no, I don't know. What I said was I just don't like to short this low. So I'm ready. I'm ready for the shorts. Come on back up here. I'm ready. I mean, we've just been selling off since we tapped that 172 level. Like we haven't had any reprieve since we tapped that level. Like ever since we tapped there, it's like
yeah, we're just consolidating. We're doing like the opposite of what we did before.
Mm-hmm. Nothing.
I think the Bears are going to win out of this consolidation.
Yeah, I think they about to cook this market. They about to cook this market. If they're going to do that, I'm just walk away until later. We break the low, I'm gone. I'll just look to short this area if we come back up here again. But if we break the low without even coming back up to retest, these bears are in full control, in my opinion. Comes the VIX right back up. Yeah, without a higher high. That's more like a lower low. There's no higher high, no higher low. That motherfucker's just a lower low. Watch 107 for a bounce. Huh? Yeah, that's all it is. And you can see even when Bookmap comes in with all of that selling, if we come down a little bit, if it comes down super fast, I get really excited. And I'll even move my stop down a little bit. I'll be like, yeah, I'll give you a little bit more room. As long as you recover, I'm happy, right? 107 was that level that I thought market could bounce off. It looks like we're putting in a small little inverse head and shoulders. But I need to see us break the high. I'm honestly not looking the longest, to be honest with you. I'm looking to try to short it back down whenever we come up. But 107 looks good for a bounce, but again, I'm not interested in the longs. I think I don't know. I just don't want to trade the longs. I'd rather trade the shorts, to be honest with you. I'm just super salty that I didn't get the short that I wanted. Like I missed on the opportunity up there. It's just got real boring to watch here. Yep. There's Justin's daily yawn. Checking in. Checking in. Yeah, we're looking to try to reverse this trend, but we put in that higher low right there, but it could be a lower high if we don't take out this high up here. Oh, goodness.
Jesus Christ. Do something.
These bears ain't messing around, though. It's, even inside of this consolidation, they look strong. Looks good for a break above, though, structurally. Looks like we're potentially rounding up to go higher. I just don't trust nothing these bulls got to shove out. I just want my area to get hit. Don't go up here and play around my area. Get up there and tap the area. Hit it. Hit it. Man, from that 172, this thing's down almost 100 points, bro. It did come down 100 or 72. And that's why I don't touch that. Yep. No high, no trade. Oh, my God. Oh. That used to be me. That used to be my liquidity right there. I remember. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good. We just got to break this high. Oh, my gosh. Oh, I know that feeling, bro. Like, this hurts, right? This hurts so much because your profit target, right? If you get in long right here, your profit target is probably, I just want the high. That's it. I just want the high. And the market gets damn near to the high, and it's just like, what? Man, I've been there, man. I don't mean to laugh at anybody that just got cooked, but I've been there. I 100% been there. And that's why I just wait, man. You got to follow the rules. It's just too slow. I used to look at the 1 minute, but sometimes it's just too slow. Yeah, I still like the 1 minute for structure. The 15-second definitely gives you a better look of things. I never looked at the 15-second chart until y'all for a change of trend, and I thank y'all for that. No problem, bro. No problem. Yeah. I mean, looking back on this trade, I think that one thing that I will say, just listening to you and then like my Discord members as well, one thing I will say is going with the trend and looking to get in on a smaller time frame with the trend and the early entry. I think I'll go back to that. I do like that, right? I do like that because I mean, you look at this bullish engulfing and then the failure here. 64 was a really good entry, right, on the 15-second, and then even on the 5 second, I'm pretty sure it was an even better entry, right? So really good, really good. I like it. Definitely taken into consideration for sure. On the 5 second, we broke through structure at 58, came back up and retested that same structure at 60. Could have put my stop at 165, risking about 5 points, and then took the market short. So yeah, definitely when I'm with the trend, definitely going back and watching for that structural shift on a smaller time frame is something I'll definitely be interested in. So against the trend, nope. I need to see a structural break on the 1 minute time frame. Not a chance. I will not touch it against the trend. But yeah, that's a good reminder, man. Really good reminder. 90 people in the building. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Again, you want to support the channel, Apex is running an 80% off deal right now. My discount code is scrolling across the screen. I'm sorry I couldn't make it personalized. I tried. They wouldn't let me. They gave me this crap thing. Mike, Nancy, Bravo, Quebec, Joliet, Bravo, Umbrella, and Donkey. That's basically our code.
Donkey.
Right? So, yeah, Donkey. Oh, and then we have to change. They changed the whatchamacallit too. So like Apex had us change the URL, and then they made us change it back to what it used to be because they had a problem with it. So, but the coupon code should work the same. So if you're looking to get some accounts, do me a favor. If you're rocking with the shop, go ahead and use that coupon code. I am so disgusted by this trade. I'm so disgusted. No reprieve, bro. None. No reprieve. I'm so disgusted. I'm just watching this thing play out. I'm just like, that hurt. I'm hurt, bro. Like, you shut up, mister. I need a 30-minute break. Shut up. You shut up. I gotta take 30 minutes. I can't take another trade. I just won. I don't want to give it back. Would you want me to risk my account? Yeah, I'm ready too. Shit, I just thought we would get a pullback. Look, excuse the heck out of me for thinking that we would get some type of pullback before we drop 100 points, right? Like, I don't know. It's crazy, but it's crazy. We were at 172, bro. We literally are about to drop 100 points from that move with no pullback.
Yeah, I think we're about to complete an inverse head and shoulders on 5 minute. That's what I think. I think we dropped down. We came up. We got our head. We broke that high, or we broke the low, or no, we broke the previous high, and now we're coming back down to putting that left shoulder, and then we'll rally up. Actually looks pretty nice. I don't think we ever put the left shoulder, and I think that was the 5 minute head that you guys took. So the only thing I can do now is long this market because I can't short it. And plus the volume is, if you look at the volume, it's super descending right now. Like, we're coming down on some whack volume, so try to long this market back up.
I'm just annoyed. I'm extremely annoyed by this move down. I'm extremely annoyed.
It's crazy. Nvidia is literally holding up
the entire market.
The market.
Yep. The only reason why we haven't dumped out of the sky is because of Nvidia right now. Just looking at the stock market, right? So as far as things that are being purchased in the stock market.
Yeah, because when we got that little rally, that's when everything else went up. Well, if this thing wants to dump to the ground, then Nvidia, it's gonna be Nvidia's fault. Nvidia's gonna be what does it.
Jeez, man. Really? Oh, I'm so sick right now. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. Oh my God, bro. Yeah, it's about to be time to pack it up, boys. We don't bounce down here.
No, we are legit not pulling back.
None. Zero. This thing is
5, 10,
first
15,
they flushed it
20,
aggressively,
25,
and now they're walking
40.
it down slow. Just to put it, just to make sure you know we in control. We're gonna sell it fast, we're gonna walk it back up, and then we're gonna walk this damn thing back down all day long. Jeez.
We got 45 minutes of straight up selling.
Bro, that's what I mean. Like this candle on the 1 hour is just straight selling, bro. Like there's been no pullback on this candle. Just straight selling. One doji and one cook session coming right up. Oh goodness. How much time left in this 1 hour? 33 minutes. We got enough time to reverse it back up and turn it into a demand zone. That's what I'd be playing. That's what I'd be looking to do is long it at this point. I'm definitely not looking to short it down here anymore. Market out here playing with his food is like, hey, look. I ain't touching this shit until we break some structure. But
All right, what those 2 1-minute candles at the low?
Yeah, that double bottom. I do like the double bottom.
I'll wait till we get down to demand.
I'm not effing with it, bro.
I'll wait till we get down to that 5-minute demand zone. I think might hold. I'm gonna wait till we tap that.
Throw another strip on the bar, man. Damn, bro, they not playing. Oh, Jay. Okay, Jay. Yes, I agree with you. You're not talking about. You weren't talking about the demand zone in the middle. You were talking about at the very low.
Mm-hmm.
We were talking about. Okay, yes, we were talking about the candle at 10:30. Yes, I agree.
At 10:05.
Yes.
That'll complete the inverse head and shoulders because we got the head, or we got the left shoulder we were talking about. Like I said, I don't think we came down and retested that low yet. To complete this inverse head and shoulder, I think this is what could happen. This could be the completion coming down here, and then we rally. We'll see. Now Valdez is still alive somehow.
Yeah, somehow he's still in this damn trade. I don't know how. I'm just messing with you. I know how you still in the damn trade. What's your entry about this?
Thing pushing.
Body bag. I did not fade you. I simply said.
You did kind of call him shrimp on the Barbie. So.
I thought he was gonna be shrimp because he came down so fast, but I forgot he gave it 25 points. I said, yeah, he good. He should be good. All I heard when you said you got long, all I heard was. I said, let's throw another shrimp on the Barbie. Yeah, she tried to come up out of here, man. I think it might be. I think shorts might actually be done based off how we came down. Well, just based off how we came down, right? Like the way we came down, it was super slow, bro. Like it wasn't aggressive at all. I ain't gonna fade him either. I just want one more sweep. I want one more sweep out of this area, and I'll look to long it. Like a sweep of this low. But we're putting in this high right here, so we might not even sweep. We might just go.
Yeah, I want this to come down to that 5-minute demand zone.
Yeah, I want us to tap one more time. Like I want us to sweep one more time. But I also want Valdez to win his trade, but the market's got to decide either way. So yeah, damn, let's go. Down. Let's go, Valdez. Let's go, baby. Cook session. Like, he said, I ain't the shrimp. I eat the shrimp. Yeah, throw another shrimp on the barbie.
And y'all call me lame, and he says stuff like this, but I'm the lame one.
All right, that was kind of lame. I'll have to agree with you. I am not light skinned. I make light skinned children. I told you, without us, y'all don't exist.
I'm the lame one, but he says some dumb shit like, "Yeah, shoot shrimp on the barbie."
I'm sorry. You know who you watching? you know you in the trader shop, baby.
You said,
how you watching us when you're supposed to be taking an exam? Anyway, he getting an exam. Yeah,
I haven't said anything. My jokes are fire.
Jokes. Come on,
baby, come back down. So about this, Hobbs come at you. It's all good. I don't even come at you with my jokes, and yet you want to call my jokes lame. He just called you a shrimp.
He called my joke lame. Just ain't nobody got no vendetta against you. We slay everybody the same, baby. Only that joke was lame. Don't nobody get no special treatment in the shop. I get. Yeah, you should. You should, but I think we're gonna take it though. I think we're gonna take it. We need to take 110. If we don't take 110, I would definitely be looking to get out of this thing. This thing's gonna come back down if we don't take 110 at some point. Jeez.
Yeah, we're coming down. This is the higher low.
Yeah, this is not good. If we don't take 110, this thing's coming right back down. They basically put in another head and shoulders the opposite way. Jeez. Yeah. I ain't want you to be shrimp. Little guppy.
Shut up. We heard that.
What you say, Justin?
We heard that. Said we don't want you to be shrimp. We heard that.
I mean, what do you want me to do? There's nothing else for me to do but play around, man. What do you want me to do? Like, I'm not shorting this. I'm not longing this. Like, we got to come all the way back down for me to long it. So I'm just going to chill.
Yeah, we're almost to my long area. No, this is just, it's torture. I saw the shorts, but I just don't trust shorts down here.
What shorts? At the top? At 172? You the one said you was looking to get short up there.
No. Oh, no. At like 108, not 172. No, not.
Oh, I was like, what?
I'm talking about the shorts right now. Like, I think the market's putting at a lower high, but I'm not. I would rather take it up long because I just see this. I see the potential inverse head and shoulders here if this plays out correctly. But if I'm wrong, then I think put a lower high in.
I think we sweep through that low or like 50% of that low, and then we come up. I see what you see. I'm with you, bro. I'm with you. Yeah. I'm with you, cuz.
See what happens.
I'm with you, little light skin.
Shut up.
little pistol starter. I'm bored, man. Okay, I'm bored. All right. What you want me to do, man? I do like this 81 level, but I need more. Give me the 70s, baby. Give me the 70s.
Oh, Minnesota's trying to get a quarterback in the first round.
They have to, unless they plan on starting Sam Darnold to throw the ball to Justin Jefferson. They ain't got no choice. They ain't got no choice. They need to be trying to trade up. That's what they need to be trying to do.
They did trade up.
Okay, good.
They got the number 27 pick in the first round now. That's gross.
Yeah, I don't know which quarterback they trying to get. But
JJ McCarthy, probably JJ McCarthy, maybe.
There's gonna be so many disappointments in this draft this year. There's so many quarterbacks, and there ain't no way all of them gonna be dope. Somebody about to get a straight dud.
Oh, good thing you got out. You'd have been shrimp on the Barbie. Lame ass joke. Yeah, the sound effects was even worse.
Why do you hate me so much? I didn't do anything to you. You'd have been script. You bubble script. Bubble gum scripts.
You gotta take a trip to New Orleans.
What? That wasn't funny, Johnny. Justin, take it back.
No, I'm not taking it back.
He just had to ruin it.
What?
Right?
Shrimp is from New Orleans. Gumbo is from New Orleans. You know what I'm saying? Take
stop it, Justin. Stop
Y'all
it, man.
Y'all are bums. I was just over here co-signing.
Horrible.
I was just over here co-signing.
Horrible, Justin. Horrible. Horrible. Guys, in the chat, man, there's nothing for us to do right now. You tell us what trade you want us to take, man. What trade y'all want us to take? I like longs right here, and I don't think we're going to drop much lower. This is basically my exact same entry that I got last time. I think I might take this. I really want that break of the high. You know what? That would be an impatient trade. I'm just going to chill. It's a beautiful double bottom, man. I'm loving this. I'm really loving this, but I'm trying to talk myself into it. But I don't want to hear that. Okay. You're trying to get that life insurance. Oh man, you tripping. We know you don't smoke. You smoke wacky tobacco. I'm just messing with you.
You said wacky tobacco.
Wacky tobacco. You smoking that wacky tobacco. All right. This is what I want to see, guys. This is the liquidity sweep I'm waiting on. This is what I want. Now I'm interested. Now I'm very, 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 very interested. I want to see longs. What? Is that a real question? I'm very, very interested in the long category here.
This is the first tap of this area. Or not the first tap, like the fifth tap, sixth tap. I'm just going to wait for my demand. My demand. I'm trying to be in demand.
All right, let's see if we can get that aggressive sweep down. There we go. Come on. You almost there. Come on. Sweep it, sweep it, sweep it, sweep it. Take my breath away. There you go. There you go. Yeah, we still on YouTube. There's just nothing really to talk about. Oh, God. Not the sound effects, too.
That's taking your breath away. Your breath just got taken. Shook it. My God.
Yeah, this whole area down here. It's based off the
100 orders below us.
Yeah, but you know that should be capped. I want to see some structure.
They just got builds. That's what they do.
They're definitely interested in this area down here. I just don't want to jump the gun with the sweep. I know that we just swept. I just need to see buyers take over, buyers take over either on the tape or on the structure. But right now, I'm just not seeing it.
Yeah. I might wait for a 15-second change of character, honestly. Like if we get above 86. A lot of volume in that candle.
It's not that
a lot of volume in that last 5-minute candle.
I like this candle.
All right, let's see.
All right, I'm in. I'm long here. 7-0. I like the retest on the 15-second of 7-0. We tapped it twice and we couldn't break it.
Yeah, I just want to see this break above 87 and come back up and retest it. But I see what we had that like kind of demand zone ish area, and we came back and retested it and it held. I like that. Sweeper.
they try to put me on the barbecue, bro. Oh my goodness.
Sweep. That's still looking good though. Oh, Valdez, you got your candle on the 1 minute too. You got your little you got the candle that you like to see.
He said the 1-2 pattern. You got you wait on the market to put that 1-2 punch in. They coming. They try to put us on the barbecue grill, bro. They try to put us on the grill, man. I'm still in. I don't know. Let this thing do what it do. I think that might be the low right there. It's definitely a higher low being put in. We definitely got a liquidity sweep. We definitely put in a higher low, but we haven't gotten above the high. We're still in early. This drop-based drop does not look good. So hopefully we hold this, but punk ass buyers. About to get cooked. Punk ass buyers.
Punk ass buyers.
Oh man, I knew I should have broke with y'all. Man, I should have just went and sold the market.
Don't say y'all. I'm
talking about the buyers, bro. I'm not talking about you. I didn't discuss my trade with you whatsoever.
You better get mad with Valdez. Valdez got his 1-2 punch. She's supposed to take off. That's Valdez's fault. Valdez, buy more. Stop playing.
I don't confirm my trades with anybody. I take my trade when I see my trade. Period. Bro, I feel like a shrimp in danger. I feel like a shrimp is being swarmed by a bunch of sharks. they swarming the waters right now. I'm like, come on, man, go back up, bro. I'm still in too. I'm good. I gave it 10 points, man. That's all he's getting from me. But damn, this did not look good. They do not look like they want to push. Come on, man. Where's all that damn buying from yesterday? You remember when y'all was at the low? Buy this shit up. Go up. Come on, man. Please. Please go up. Please. I don't want to be a shrimp. I don't want to be a shrimp. Please, Mr. Shark, don't eat me. All right, 15-minute has closed. Let's see what this next 15-minute does. See if they want to dump it for another 15 minutes.
How many 15-minute candles are red? 3?
4.
Oh,
4. So hopefully this one can go back up, or it's gonna be a death blow. if they print another one, man, come on. Like at some point we gotta go up. Like chill out. Damn. Y'all been selling all day, bro. Like chill out. What's the stock market doing? VIX is still pissed off.
If we can break 79, then should be good.
Man, stock market don't give a fuck. We're getting no help from the stock market. Stock market looks ugly.
Yeah,
if this is gonna rally, it's gonna be all by itself.
Microsoft, Amazon, Apple to start pushing.
Yo, everybody is like, "You're long in the market."
y'all need a lot of help from them.
The stock market is like, "You're long." Yeah, I'm long. You sure? Yeah, I think. You sure you wanted this? You must like shrimp, huh? Shit. Jeez. Yeah, it's cooking season for us, bro. It's time to go ahead and pack it up here.
Yeah, it was like we're consolidating.
Man. Yeah, but what kind of consolidation? Is it distribution? You know, the kind that makes me barbecue shrimp?
You could always try to
squeeze out of the
trade. You know, maybe it might explode.
Oh, on the trade? See, man, give me another partner. Y'all cannot be.
What? You can always blow on the trade. Maybe it might explode. You never know.
What's happening here? What is happening here?
Bravo Joseph, he eats shrimp. Pause. Whoa. See, I told you you'd be saying some suspect
verbal abuse I'm going through on the channel. This verbal abuse I'm having on the channel. Yeah, that's a third tap of that low right there, and we haven't broke the low. I'm hoping that this is just like a triple bottom, and then we just hold this thing out.
We haven't broke the high.
Swivel. I got straight up WWF slap. Stop messing with Hobbs. What? I got WWE. Yeah, I was about to say your best trade was alone. Shut up. that was a beat down.
Oh my god. This
not long in the market.
Nvidia
yo, when I looked at the stock market, I said we're toast. we're toast. Yo, I'm done trading, man. That's one loss, one W in that account. I'm gonna go ahead and retire that guy.
Oh, he's done, market. It's time to rally. He said he's done. It's time to rally.
Oh wait, no. Wait till Justin gets short. Then we'll be time to rally. When he decides, you know what? F it. I'm just gonna short the market at the bottom. Then we're good. We're good. No, the market will go up from there.
Not today. Not today.
You did it already.
I'm not touching this market.
You did it already.
Well, that's true, but I was in profit. I secured profit on that short though.
He said not today. Yeah, you did it already.
Jesus Christ.
It's just no fun, man. You're going in one direction all day. And it's slow too. It's like a slow grind down where it's just like, yeah, it should bounce because this and that. And like, yeah, fuck all that. This shit going down. every candle just comes with more pressure.
Under pressure. No, yes, it's starting to tap into its 5-minute demand as well.
That's the 50% tap right there.
Yeah.
Whether or not we do anything with it, the market hasn't given a shit about any type of area when it comes to longs today at all. So I have zero faith that it'll hold. I mean, we're all the way back down to the 50s. Shit. Like, how much more do they need the market to go down? The VIX is at 75. It's almost at 60. All of the buying that comes out of here, it's just so suspect.
Oh, wait, what I do?
What are you talking about?
Oh, wait. This thing literally just messed my... I hit the wrong button.
I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
I don't know. My charts are all wacky right now. They're wackadoodle. Yeah,
oh,
I'm gonna
push up
here. Stop below. It might come down a little bit lower, but
I'm exhausted with the idea of long in this market while the entire stock market is selling off. I'm just not doing it. I've exhausted all of my longs. I'm not doing it no more. This market wants to go down and continue to sell off all day, then hey. I want it to be on the record that this is Valdez's trade. Nobody else has encouraged him to take this long. He's taking this long on his accord. Okay.
hey, my computer right now.
Bro, what happened to all that shit you was talking about? You got this great computer with this awesome card and all this other BS.
I mean, that's not BS. My computer is good. It's just something's slowing it down. I don't know what it is. I might have to look for like some updates or something. No.
Alrighty then.
Frying pan season.
I mean, at some point we got to reverse, right? Please.
I mean, you would think we came down here like just so nonchalant.
Question is, where are we going? If we don't bounce down here, like, are we going to 17,960 for a 600-point sell-off? Like, is that happening? They lining them up and knocking them down, boys. This don't make no damn sense. You ain't never heard that line before? That come from Dumb and Dumber.
What? Line them up and knock them down, or the barbecue?
Nah, the barbecue line. Let's put another shrimp on the barbie.
I don't like Dumb and Dumber. I actually really hate that movie with like a strong passion.
Damn. Okay, motherfucker. Fuck you too. Shit. Fuck you and your
No,
movie taste too. Like, yeah, I actually really hate that movie with a passion.
I do. With a strong passion. I hate that movie. That movie is trash. I'm sorry. Sorry if you like it. I'm not a fan.
I mean, it doesn't matter to me. It's just the way that you come off when you say shit. Sometimes you say it at the like.
Nah,
like you make it feel personal. like damn.
For that movie, for me, yeah, it is personal. I don't
Why?
know.
What the fuck? It's a movie. How could a movie be personal?
Yeah, because I don't know. It's just I don't like it.
I'm so confused on what the fuck is happening right now.
I personally don't like the movie. I'm
yeah, you know what I mean? Like, bro, you good?
No,
like,
I actually, to be honest with you, I've never watched the movie. I don't know. There's something about like dumb people in a movie that I'm just
never
not a fan
watched
of.
the movie, but you hate the movie this much?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Is anybody hearing this shit besides me?
No, you're hearing it correctly.
You've never watched the movie, but you hate the movie.
Yep. 1,000%.
I think this conversation's over.
I know the logic doesn't make sense, but it is what it is.
Well, I mean, with you, if the logic doesn't make sense,
I know.
As long as the emotion makes sense, because it's what you feel 90% of the time. So that's why I just say
it is a feeling. It is a feeling.
I know, J-Hawk. I know, J-Hawk. I just stop. You can't hate something you've never done or you've never watched. Like it makes no sense.
You can't hate something that you've
never experienced something. You can't hate it. That makes no sense. I don't see why you couldn't. Because you're hating an idea. You're not hating the thing. That's why you can't. I mean, you can do whatever you want because again, Justin doesn't work off logic. He works off feelings, right? So you can do whatever you want, but logically, to even attempt to say that logically doesn't make sense. It just makes sense. It doesn't make any sense from a logical standpoint. I hate it. Even though I've never experienced, I hate coffee, but I've never tried coffee. Does that make sense to you? Right?
I mean,
it could. I can't hate coffee if I've never tried coffee. Like that makes no sense. Right? I could hate the smell. That's again, but that's not coffee itself. You can never say you hate the taste of coffee unless you've tried coffee. I could say I hate the smell, and that's something logical, right?
Well,
but to say I've never seen the movie, but I hate the movie makes no sense to me. Like, and to say it so you say it so emphatically that it's like, damn, you had to at least know what the movie's about. Nope, never seen it. Okay.
Well, it's about two dumb people. Dumb and dumb.
You don't know what it's about if you've never seen it.
Yeah,
you can't give your opinion on what it's about if you've never seen the movie.
I just hate the movie. I don't like it. I hate the idea of the movie. That is a logic that you can say right there. That's what I was waiting on. You could say I hate the idea of the movie Dumb and Dumber. Right, and that makes sense, right? Like that I can get with, but to say you hate the movie just makes no sense to me. You know, I don't know. Call me crazy. This trade is not looking good.
Oh man, y'all wanted to loan this shit. I told you these freaking loans they are not the business. I am done with them. It makes sense. It looks good. It's been working all week, but the VIX just keep climbing. The VIX is at 80 now. So y'all keep longing this shit. I'm not touching this shit long. And if it doesn't come back up to where I want to short it, I'm not short it either. The VIX is continuing to climb. It's like they're trapping everybody that wants to reverse the market with the potential of the market reversing. And eventually it's going to happen. I'm just not going to exhaust any more tokens until I see it happen.
Man, it's like the market volatility died. Like everybody was like, yeah, so it's Friday. I'm just gonna be done for the day.
Oh, they not done. They just waiting. They wait until they exhaust all the hope of longs out of the market, and then they're gonna run this bitch back up. You best believe this market's coming back up. It's just a matter of when. And I don't know when that time is, but I know it's not gonna happen until we break above some structure. I've tried the early entry multiple times, and it just doesn't work for me. The Max Free T2 multiple monitor for laptops. I'm gonna be chilling at Starbucks for sure now. What? Oh, is that a computer?
I think talking about like extended monitors, maybe like extending the monitors.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, your shit is all jacked up. I ain't never seen your computer be this bad. You got Google Chrome vibes.
It's pretty bad today.
Giving me Google Chrome vibes, bro.
This market does not want to.
Hold on, I want y'all to win, but if y'all don't, y'all not gonna like me. What happens next?
Oh, why? Because you're in short.
No, fuck no. I will not short this market down here. I don't care how long it sells off. It can do whatever it wants to do. I actually want to get long with you guys, but I just want to see us take a high. We're just refusing to take a high. And every time we look like we want to take a high, we end up just rapidly coming down like there was no intent to take the high in the first place.
Yeah, at every high we end up getting rejected.
Every time. We come down so rapidly, like the idea of taking the high wasn't even a thing. It's like, so you had no intentions of taking the high when you came up here? No, not at all. Not at all. But you did. That's all that needed to matter is you thought we was gonna take the high.
Definitely having to sit through a lot of pain.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they just put a bid underneath us. It's gonna get filled. Maybe not. Don't get filled. Just okay, you got filled.
What's the result?
More selling. Oh, we're coming down.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost like that guy was like, "Yeah, we're not getting any higher. Let me just get out here." And
like, hey, can y'all fill me up here since y'all clearly have intents of going lower? I just want to get out. If that's okay. Can I just get out here?
Oh.
Like, where are we going? If we're not going to go back up, like, are we just going to sit here and grind it out all day? We're definitely in bullish character. We just need to take a high. That's it. Like, that's all that's left to do is just take a freaking high. Officially switch the character.
Just break it.
I know, right? It's like, dang.
Break it. There you go. All right, now just get up over 80. We'll be good. What was that?
I have no idea. I think he's playing some music.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Every single time we come up to the high, we get rejected.
I told you, man. This thing is... No, you were not good. No, you were not good. Oh, this market has no chill. Every time we come up to the high, bro, this market is like, get back down. Don't tell him about this. Don't tell him. He's trying to short. Yeah, he's trying to short you out, bro. He's trying to cook you. He's trying to cook you out, man. Don't tell him. Don't tell him.
Yeah, this engulfing candle is not looking good.
Shit, they controlling the fuck out of this market right now. Yeah, every time you think it's all good, the market just puts in another sweep, takes liquidity, and moves lower. It's like, thank you, bro. Yeah, it's been doing it all week.
It's not. It's about to pick up here, but maybe, hopefully, we're absorbing price right here. We can move up higher. That'd be great.
Shit,
I gave it the low. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming.
He said it's coming. It's coming. Shit.
That's a triple top right there.
And you quadruple top if you count the consolidation.
We're probably coming to sweep the low one more time. We're building something. The question is, are we building supply, or are we building demand, or what? Jesus Christ. The bulls have left the building.
VIX is at 75, 77.
And the shrimp have entered. Oh my God. Can I just survive for another 5 minutes? Just give me another 5 minutes. Give me one more push. Yeah, these bulls are
they have left the building.
Oh my God.
You gave it 40, Valdez? Or you gave it the low? I think you'll be all right if you gave it 40. No, you give it 20 points, so that would put you at 40. Yeah, I think it's all right if we can hold this low. Yep. Damn. Yo, every attempt, there's just no support from anywhere. Like the market is dead, bro. Look at the fucking stocks. The market needs help, bro. Look at the time it sells and look at the stock market. Like every time you think this market's coming up, it's just going lower because there's no assistance from the market. Like the market is not stepping up today. The market is capitulating this sell-off. You know what I mean? Like on certain days you'd be like, oh, okay, well maybe we'll pump because of this stock or that stock, but the VIX is coming up and the market is going straight down. Like, there is no reprieve yet. At some point we got to catch a bid, but I don't know where that point's at. Most people don't want to sell the market this low, and I'm one of those people. But I don't know when it's going to be time to long this market, but it's not now, in my opinion. Not based off everything that I'm seeing. Like if I didn't get that short up there, then I'm just going to chill. I took my little loss on trying to long this thing back up, and again became scrimp, but I'll just wait till we break some structure, man. We're gonna break it. We're gonna break it back above structure at some point. I just think everybody that's trying to get the long entry is getting absolutely ringed right now. Or I'm sorry, the early entry. You're getting absolutely cooked right now. Yep. Yeah, facts. Like just take the 40. I'd rather take the 20 points to get cooked 5 times with a 5-point loss. Yeah, he like I don't need to keep touching that damn stove, bro. Like just cook me one time, bro. That's all I need, bro. This thing is down. Damn, bro. We called this shit down to the floor. 18K. Jeez. Oh, we fumbled, bro. I called this short. I got the long all the way up to 150. Fucking Valdez wrote it all the way to 170. We got long at like, yeah, we bodied the trade. I got long at like 89, right? So we bodied the trade, but then we called out the shorts. We was like, all right, we step into 175. We're looking to short this thing. We tap into 172. This shit never comes back. It sells off for like 100 points. I'm like, yo, we got no entry. All you had to do was reverse your chart, your chart, and you'd have been in the shorts with a 2-point stop. With the market, the market's been crazy. I know, bro. Yesterday, remember we talked about this yesterday. You was like, "What's my target?" I said, "You want me to be honest with you?" I said, "You want me to be honest with you?" You like, "Yeah." I said, "I think we could see 17,960 and 18,000 tomorrow." You think so? Yeah. I've been talking about it in my top-down analysis, and here we are. So yeah, I fumbled the bag as well, bro. Like, because again, I was just trying to be patient and wait for the proper entry, and that motherfucker never came. We did this slow sell-off all the way down, right? And the whole way, I'm just waiting on pullbacks, and then we got to a level where I'm like, well, I don't want to short the market down here. Let me look to long it. And yeah, that didn't work out clearly. So now at this point, like the only thing I can do is look to long this market. I'm not shorting this market all the way down here. Like the CVD is so freaking red. It's so dead today. I'm not doing anything. I'm not. You broke up. I heard probabilities are, but that's it. But yeah, no, I agree with you. Like I'm not doing anything. Like every time, bro, they getting cooked. Everybody that's trying to long this market, and again, we're not the only people that trade reversals, right? Everybody's looking to trade reversals because that's what you've been taught. But on a day like today, we ain't even come back to one. We didn't even tap nowhere near yesterday's settlement. Yesterday's settlement was like 372 or 272. We couldn't even get back to 200. Like, yep. Yeah, bro. When we came down this morning, bro, I was thinking, you know what I was thinking? I was like, okay, London last couple days has been putting in the high. And I said, okay, where's the low from London? London's low was sitting at around, I don't know, like 206, 200. So I was like, okay, maybe London is allowing us to push. We're going to push up from London. So I was thinking, okay, we push up here, but when we came up, I should have looked to the left and saw that we couldn't get above 342 because that's the high. That's the closest high that brought us down here. Once we couldn't get above that high, I should have been looking to short all day long. But I did not see this sell-off, not like this. I mean, I called it, but you know how you call something, but you still don't believe it until you see it. You like, damn, you was right, but shit. Yeah. Well, for me, the reason why my mind was afraid not afraid, but I was cautious when I saw the action this morning is because for the last month, almost 2 months, every Friday after we've sold off so aggressively. We've been rallying, and we rally all day. Now, today was different because I even said it. I said, look at the crypto market last night. The crypto market took an absolute dump last night. Now, that's big money leaving for whatever reason, right? They're leaving. So today, when I came in, I was bearish. But when we came down so aggressively, I'm like, okay, well, I can't short it now. That's not how I trade. So, of course, I'm going to look to long the market. But if we would have got exactly what I wanted, man, I faded this 5-minute supply zone too. I said this previous supply zone, I said, no, I'm going to fade that one. I want to go where the gap is. And that was the one. That was the one. We came right into it. We actually, I mean, that's the gap, like 175, 172. The market had every intent to dump today. They had no intent to come back up. But it's all good. Like I said, risk. Yeah, I mean, we still cooked the market for like 60, 70 points, but I mean, I gave back like 10 or 15 on trying to long this market. So it's all good. Like I'm not tripping at all. I think what we accomplished, everything we wanted to accomplish this week. It's just a couple things I want to clean up in regards to not falling in love with bias, or not necessarily falling in love with bias, because I don't really fall in love with a bias. I guess being able to adjust to whatever the market brings on a daily. So 17,960 is the last area that we could potentially bounce. It's the only way that I'd be looking to, I'm gonna say the only way, but that's where I would be looking to potentially long this market back up. But it's on YouTube, it's 11:16, ladies and gentlemen. I think we've had enough. Justin looks like he looks like his shrimp got burned over there. So I think it's time to get up out of here.
Get burned. I'm just mad because my chart. Does your chart ever do this thing where it like I'll show you. Matter of fact, I'll show you what the charts do it right now. Does it ever do this thing right here?
What is it doing?
Hold up,
I don't understand. Oh yeah. You gotta go to the bottom. There's like a panel that's open. So you got to close in the bottom right there. And so there's two different panels that you're looking at right now. So you have to close one of them. So click on the one that says NASDAQ at the bottom, and it should have a X in the top right corner, all the way at the bottom, Jay. That's the top. Go to the bottom. There you go. Close that panel. You were there for a second. I think your shit's just like super delayed.
Come up.
So there's two windows that you're looking at.
No, look at, because look, this is the chart right.
I know what you're saying. Okay.
Wait.
All right.
Okay, hold up. I'll go 1 and then 2.
No, that's not the problem. See, the second window is the one that's looking. You're looking at two windows in the one to the right. You're looking at two window panes. Yeah. You asked me if my chart's ever done this, and the answer is yes. And I'm telling you what to do, but you keep telling me no, that's not it. Hit that X.
Wait. Yeah, but I hit this X, but then there's no indicators on here though. All the indicators are gone.
So add an indicator. Oh, look, the indicators are there.
That's really weird that does that.
Don't try to understand it, man. Just know how to fix
it. That's weird.
I hate trying to tell you how to do something because you don't know how to do it, but you still be trying to take over how to do it. I'm like, Justin, no, that's not.
Well, no, because I never had opened up two panes over here. There was only one. I don't even know how to do that. So it was like one chart blank with just indicators, and then the other chart had like the whole.
I've only done it. You probably clicked the pane on accident. That's all, right? Like I've done it before as well. Like I've clicked the pane on accident. And then it goes, and then it flips. I did it on my app before on accident, right? And then it flipped. So, and then I just had to figure it out from there. So,
that's so weird. That just makes me feel dirty. I don't like that.
Oh my god! All right, let's go. I don't know. Some of these things you say just be weird to me. That makes me feel dirty. What does that even mean?
Yeah, I mean,
a chart opening up a new window pane makes you feel dirty.
Yeah,
help me, people.
It wasn't right.
Help
It
me.
wasn't right.
Help me deal with my partner over here. Some of the stuff he says, I just don't understand it. I genuinely don't get it.
You're not.
All right, longs are looking good down here, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Time to loan the market. All right. I'm just kidding.
Look,
hey,
they're gonna tell you.
Hey, I'm telling y'all, this is the long right here. This is the long right here. I'm telling you, this is the long. What'd you say? What you say? I couldn't hear you. I couldn't hear you over the horn. What'd you say? Longs is here. I'm long 36.75, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, I am. I'm long. Is. I'm long. This is it. This is the last time I'm ever gonna long this market. All right. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate everything you've done for us this week. Please make sure you tip the barbers on your way in and on your way out. Hit the like and subscribe button. Tune in next week. It'll be another fun week in the shop. I'm gonna go get a haircut, clean up, get back in the chair, and get rid of this avatar. I told y'all these was the longs. Don't fade the longs. He said, fuck. Anyway, that being said, my name is Jason. My name is T. Haas. That guy over there is Jay Seals, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man.